Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today is our live session on 11/20/2018. Let's get right into the charts, guys. I was watching Alta today, a little bit of a pullback, $9, not a bad trade, but double top coming back in. Keep an eye on that one. But to the SPY though, let's get a little handle on these markets. We did come into this trend line, guys, barely kissed it. I would like to have a little bit lower prices around the 260, 230, but hey, we're getting a heck of a bounce. They're bringing it back above the 750 retrace. Let's go to the daily. You can see it a little bit closer. Almost touched it. Look at that. Look at that trend line, guys. Not the best symmetry. You know, we got the low pivot coming in through here and barely touching it, but we are recapturing the 750 retrace from this Fibonacci, from this high to this low, guys. So we've been talking about this short-term retrace leading to more selling. Now they almost have to save the markets. You notice though, someone posted on StockTwits that Citron bought some Nvidia today. Notice how Nvidia is getting a little bit of a bounce and the markets are trying to lead its way up, guys. We are overdue for a bounce at this point, but the big area would be the 260, the 259.90 area, 260. I still think we could have. Gosh, I wish we would have made it to this pivot here, 259. Got the bounce, led to more selling. I don't think we're out of the woods yet, but we'll see. We are in a confirming downtrend today. The volume isn't that great. It's only 70 million. So if we had 150 million right now, guys, I'd say short the markets, but I still think more pain to come. So don't think this one-day bounce is going to be led to, more buying, guys. We're not out of the woods yet. We are in the lower end of the range. We are still consolidating sideways. So be aware, guys. Buy the dip. This is some great bounces, guys. Look at Amazon. We were too busy covering shorts today where we could. I mean, look at this right there, guys, right to this pivot low. Well, almost. I was waiting for the 1400 area, never made it. $100 bounce, guys, on Amazon. If this doesn't get suckers to buy up on this one's going to click, go right back down. My buy is 1350. This would have been more of an intraday trade. We wouldn't have taken 100 off of it, but we would have taken at least 50 on it. Because actually, let's see, if we would have bought down here, I would have probably pulled it off at 1477 because right here is resistance. We're still not out of the woods, guys. This is making everybody excited now. Oh, Amazon, I've been buying the dip since up here, and now I think we got it this time. Wait until it clicks over and we're down at 1350, guys. This move can be exaggerated. Possibly, who knows? I still think we're going at least to 1350. Then I'm gonna put my you know what out there, 1266. I still think we're going to this $1,000 area. But we'll see. Markets sell, we will be down to 1,000. Markets stay green, maybe through Christmas holidays and all that good stuff. Maybe we do bounce. Still under the weather a little bit, guys. So bear with me if I cough in your face and all that stuff. Trying to get over this cold. I finally got it. Everyone else in my family had it. And now I got it. Let's see here. If you're new to the room, what's up, Colin? You called AMD off the 200. I don't know. Let's look at AMD. If you're new to the room. Yeah, no, I mean, yeah, that's where it's holding, though. The 200 hit the first time on AMD, holding, second time holding. I mean, it's going all right. Remember, NVIDIA's green, too, so that's helping this one as well. But remember, guys, down sideways. That's the big area, though, down here, guys. If the 17 buck area cracks or the 1625, this area in here, if that gives out, we're going lower on an AMD, guys. We still have a gap to fill down here at 1603, and we got some pivots and we got some gaps down here too. I still think NVIDIA is going to 10 bucks. I mean, it went from 34 to 17. Who's to say it can't go from 17 to 10? Markets sell this thing; it will be a $10 stock again. That's just the way it is. Hey, what's up, Randy? KO puts on it, played out nicely for me. Thanks for your input yesterday. No problem, buddy. That's what I'm here for, man. That's why I like doing these live sessions, trying to look for trades. And guys like you, and Colin, everyone else who shows up, Andy, wow, look at that. Told you guys. I mean, we got to that point. I mean, this is a perfect setup, guys. And basically what they were doing is they're just trying to get everybody in on this one. It's KO. It has to go higher. But now look what's support, guys, right there. If this area cracks, I'm telling you, we're going to 46 and we're going to 45. And if the markets start dumping, we're going to 42. So That's pretty much it. SQ puts. I just can't do SQ puts. I mean, this thing's just beat up. And SQ puts would have been up here at 100. I mean, we had a nice retrace. KO, that's funny. Everyone's buying that one. But it is a safety haven play. KO. As well as 3M, as well as, J&J and all those. All the Kramer stocks, basically. Maybe I would wait for a little, maybe 72. Another little retrace up, and then the next wave of selling. I mean, this is a beat down name. It's almost 50% down here. I just can't do the SQ. We were short this one, already covered. Just not yet. Not yet, bud. How do I subscribe monthly? It's StockBookie.com. Go there, register. Here. Yeah, it's gonna be. Yeah. It's going to be slow, guys. So you go here in StockBookie, go register, and then you go select the monthly, and that's a $30, and then put your username, whatever, all your password, terms and condition, agree, and PayPal. That's that, and then it's a monthly sign up, basically. That's how it's $30 a month, guys. We killed it today. Killed it. Guys, we covered half of our short on Tesla. We were short Tesla. Who shorts Tesla? We do. We covered half of our shares of CRM. We covered the last half of our Target short. We covered that last half of our NATI short. We covered half of our CDW short. We covered half of our DG short. We covered our Apple short position at 176. We covered our Walmart position at 93.84. We covered our Etsy position at 43. We covered our Goose position at 62.50. We sold our IWM puts for 100% profit. Shit. If you didn't make any money in the last week with me, then you're not trading. Crap, we flipping killed it, guys. Killed it. And then we've been covering. Wait until I do my next video, guys. We got to have 100 winners with maybe 4 losers. Now, more losers than that, but holy crap, are we killing it? Then I got my trolls sending me messages. You suck, StockBookie. You're the worst trader ever. No, you got to look at your stuff, trolls. Because, my gosh, we're just killing it. Oh, anyways. Whew, what a day. Well, it got to a point, guys. Here's what I wrote in my we were covering so many shorts. Where is it? I had to finally write this on my Twitter feed. Guys, cover positions, don't wait for the post. Is everyone having fun today? I was covering so many positions. I can't just, I'm late on them. Just start covering them, guys. Don't wait for me. If you're up 10% in a trade, get the hell out. Most likely it will go down. Like Children's Place, we covered that. Went down. We covered Zebra yesterday, damn it. We covered some trades yesterday, and, because we're just taking profits, guys. Zebra, another, look at that. We covered up in here around 170 or whatever it was. It went to almost 160. Guys, these are high flyers. These are the ones we're picking on. This thing could still go to 129. Zebra retraces again, maybe the holiday rally. Santa Claus, right? We're going to short this pig again. It's going down. It's going to be a 129 stock. Who the hell shorts Apple? We got killed on Apple. We were in at like 209. Okay, it went to 233. I was like, you know what? This is unbelievable. I'm holding this. I'm going to do some intraday trading on this one, short or long. And I'm holding this. High flyer on the monthly. The target will be around, guess what? 175, guys. What do I always tell you? 20 MA. There it is. Kissed it today. I think we're going to get a short-term rebound. This thing's going to 138. I'm telling you. Put that in your damn calendars. 138, and if markets give it up, we're going to fill this gap at 121. Okay? And we're not out of the woods yet in these markets, guys, so don't believe this bullshit bounce. All right? I'm short KO2. Yeah, B-Rabbit. Here we go, baby. That thing's going to be coming in. I mean, again, guys. This is a KO. This is the one, the darling when the markets are imploding. This is what's, this is the one that stays strong. But, here, look where you're at. Look where you're holding. the trend line. Okay. Doesn't mean it's going to come right down. It could. Markets keep selling, guys. This will come down. It's a market trade, everything. Look at that trend line, though. That's a beauty. This is where they got everyone on board. I mean, yeah, it could still go up a little bit. You know, don't get me wrong. But, guys, if you're making money on those puts, if you have puts instead of shares, pull some off here, guys, just a little bit. I think I'm getting a cough now, guys, so bear with me. Man. Hey, what's up, guys? That was up and vanished. Can you email? No, this is here. Let me see here. Here you go. That's where you go, StockBookie.com. If you want to become a member, it's $30 a month. It's going slow right now. I think a lot of people are going. And then once you go members login, then you go register. You go $30 a month. And then everything's right there. You put your email and all that stuff. It's $30 a month, guys. I just went over the 10 trades we covered, the puts we played. Unfortunately, we got out of the SPY for a small loss. God, they went up 100%, guy. Oh no, actually, those were ones expired on Monday. We should have went out a little bit more. But the IWM we made money on, the Qs we made money on, and the DIA we made money on, and all those put plays. If you were lucky enough to hold them, they all doubled. They all doubled, guys. We took those trades last week on the 15th and the 16th or whatever it was. All doubled. NVIDIA puts, we bought them at $3. They went to $30, guys. Maybe even higher. Yesterday they were at $25. Today they had to have hit $30. And that was a spec play. If someone would have held those as a member, maybe you bought 4 options, you sold 3 and just held 1 just for the hell of it, they went to $30. All posted, guys. Did you hear that, donkey? I know he's in here. Let's see here. Just picked up my, what is that? Prednisone. VIX December calls. Maybe. It's just the going into the holiday now. I wouldn't touch the VIX. It could go up, but it's still the wild card, guys. I mean, again, if you look at all here, let's do something here. What program do you use for screen share? It's just YouTube. I don't know what it is. Live streams. That's all it is. Thoughts on IQ? I'm already in. You need a hot toddy on your under the covers cold gone. Yeah, right. Nah, I'm married, brother. I got 3 kids and everything. No, but I did have the covers on, sweating it out last night. Feel a little better today. I think another day or two I'll be good. And then we go into Thanksgiving and all that. So by next Monday, I'll be ready to rock and roll. KO, Starbucks, PG, and MCD. Yeah, KO's coming in okay. Starbucks has been a pain in the ass. PG, how's PG? Yeah, PG's coming in slow and steady, but double top. This is another one. Procter, is it Procter Gamble? Is that what this one is? I don't even know. That will come in, but I'm looking at the monthly chart. 85 is the price target. We should be down there. I'll be done with that one, and then MCD. That one's just been a flipping pig. Look at it. I mean, it's down today a little bit, but this one, God, McDonald's, guys, this burgers suck there. I mean, it's cheap food. That's the only thing they have going for it. But at the end of the day, price target's 162. So if you're not short MCD, short it. Leonardo, what's up, buddy? All right, hold on. Long IQ. Hold on. Give me a minute here. Let's see. I'm short. Thanks. What's up, John? Vanish. Q picked up. Yeah, screen shares that. Thoughts on IQ? I'm already in. All right, let's see. IQ. I don't know what it is, but let's take a look at it. Yeah, it's okay. It's a beatdown play. Gosh, I see what you're trying to do here, but you're below the MAs. Not a lot of. It's a new issue from this year, so not a lot of technicals. Gosh, you got to hold this. You got to hold that $19 area. If it holds the $19 area, you should be all right. Excuse me, guys. And if it cracks it, then you're going to fill this gap down here. You're going right back to the low. So be careful with this one. If you're long from down here today, 1865 or so, start tighten that stop. We fill this gap. The bottom line is you got to get back above the 20 MA and you got to fill this gap up here. If it does not hold this $19 area, it's going to just click over and you're done. This thing's going down. So just be careful with this one. You have some gaps to fill down here. I like what you're doing, though. You're going, it's a beat down name. You're trying to buy in at the lows. But honestly, guys, here's the lows, 1539, 1574. So if it does not hold this $19 area and the market starts selling again, you want to get out of everything long, guys. I don't care what it is. Markets come in. It's all coming in. So. Hot tea, lemon, whiskey. Yeah. Oh no, hotty toddy. Yeah, I wish. That's funny shit. Excuse me, guys. Look at the markets though, guys. Right, coming in again. IWM kind of leading the way here. I'm telling you, every uptick's going to be led to more selling. Hey, how's that Amazon trade doing? 1650 calls. Going down the Titanic, SOS. I know my buddy's in here. He can't help it not to watch me. But, yeah, that's why, guys, right now I'm telling my members slow and steady, mellow out, don't do anything crazy, let the market settle in. It almost looks like it's going to bounce, guys. Here's another one of my tweets to my members. Let the market settle in. People buying the dip could be a bull trap. SPY needs to recapture the 266 area, maybe higher. Still going into the Thanksgiving holiday, but and Uncle Jerome, he needs to calm down the people. Gosh, every Thanksgiving we float. This is like the first one we're really getting killed here, guys. I mean, we're down 437 in a confirming downtrend. The IQ, just be careful with this one. I like what you're doing. At least you're not buying up here. You're buying almost at the lows. But honestly, if we start selling this thing, it will be a $15 stock again. 15 I might get interested in, maybe 10. But yeah, I mean, you get the one-day bounce because everyone's buying. Oh my God, buy the dip. It's we're going to be green. StockBookie, you're a moron. It's like, well, we'll see. We'll see. We're in a confirming downtrend today, guys. So just be careful. What's your resistance for Netflix? Netflix. Hold on. Yeah, hot tea, lemon, whiskey. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I take a shot of NyQuil every night. That's my remedy and get some sleep. My nose is clearing up, though. It took all my discipline not to try to grab some of these swings. Natalie, I'm pissed. But I was, oh my God. I mean, like this one, you see it after the fact, it's easy. But these are the trades, guys. You have to get in and get the hell out. This is where everyone goes, oh, it's going to be great. But, oh my, $100 bounce in Amazon. It was insane. BA, guys, look at BA's bounce. But as I was covering shorts today, I wasn't really, honestly, I really wasn't watching anything. I was so busy covering shorts. I was like, holy shit, I got to get my members out of these shorts. That's why at one point it was like, guys, and I'm going to tell you members now, and I'm going to post something on Twitter tonight. When we get down moves like this, please don't wait for me to cover shorts. If you're up 10%, 8% in shorts that we've taken, start taking something off. And it pisses me off that we miss some of these. But again, we could be tanking and these things could be lower. Because Amazon, I think, is going lower. BA bounced. Apple got a shitty bounce. What was another one? Google. Gosh, I'm still getting emails from this moron. He keeps saying I'm massively wrong on the SPY. Massively wrong. I've had over 450 trades on the year. We're over 80% win rate right now, and I'm massively wrong. You're a moron, Pedro. Just a flipping moron. Let's see what's so if you're members, guys, take it. Don't wait for me. And don't, because I get these emails. Well, StockBookie, we were short. You never said to cover. Holy crap. I'm covering everything today. Just like in 2015 when we had that flash crash, that 1,000-point down day, we were short. I was short with a couple guys that I was consulting. And I just got to a point. I was just like, just cover. Guys, don't wait for me. I covered so many trades. I think even on Stock Twits, I had a bunch of stuff out there, and it was just like, covered this, covered that, covered this, covered that, covered this, cover that. Guys, we covered a bunch of trades today. We've been killing it. Killing it. All right, hold on. NFLX. Resistance on this. We're at resistance. I mean, this thing's a beat down name too. Well, getting beat down. Yeah, resistance is 271 right here. Look what happened. We're going right into it. We filled the gap, and now it's starting to stall out. Here's your area for Netflix, guys. 227 and then $200. These things, I'm telling you, these things, be careful in these markets, guys, especially if you're long. And there's a Pedro. I'm wrong since the SPY 2016. Are you kidding me? Shut your mouth. God, I'm getting emails from this moron still. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, Natalie, how about it though? Yeah, just be careful. If you guys were lucky enough to catch this bounce here, just be careful. Lock in some profits. I mean, this is almost, man, it's just so tough. Because going into Thanksgiving, could we go a little higher? Friday, half day, go a little higher? Do we keep dumping? Catching a little bit of in the markets now. Just be careful though. Just really be careful. Markets are erratic, going up, down, all around. Just be careful, guys. I hope you feel better, man. Yeah, thanks, buddy. What's the play on NVIDIA? Gosh, just let it lead. Man, I believe I'm sitting on my hands, guys. I still think NVIDIA, we still got a little more to go. 120. We almost got there today. We had this nice little pivot here, too, today at 139.07. I was waiting for at least 130 even number. I just couldn't. I can't step up on markets like this, guys, because this usually just leads to more selling. It's a tough environment. That's why we're picking on some of the high flyers like KO and a couple other ones, CME, a couple other ones. But yeah, just be careful. I mean, NVIDIA can go now. You know, even Citron bought. I think they're a hedge fund or whatever. We got the buy. I mean, look at that bounce, though, man. 133 to 1. I'm a $20 bounce on this one. Oh, I'm still like, damn, I missed some of these. Members, I'm sorry. I tried. I was just so busy covering everything. Nah, poor Pedro, losing again. 20 massive losses in a row, and he's the big picture donkey. He's in here, guys. My nemesis, or my I can't even say the word right now. It's too funny, moron. But anyways, let's see here. Oh, if he's in here, then all right. Let's see. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, NVIDIA. Right here was a pretty good level. 139. We almost filled the gap there at 132. We're bouncing, but I think we're going to lead to more selling, guys. I'm waiting down here. I mean, even we have a huge gap around $100. $100, guys. This was a $300 stock in the beginning of October. What a yeah, I know, John. Now he's emailing me. He's not much of a man, like he tells me. Let's have a contest. Who's the best trader? I tell him, 2018. Let's just look back, guy. You had a year. Give me your wins, give me your losses, and let's compare. He wants to have I tell him it's not a contest, guys. It's real life. See, he trades with donkey bucks. It's not real money. He's a paper trader. You go back to his stream. One day he had his little chart thing on. It's up on the top. It said paper trading. See, when people don't have enough money with their brokers, they can paper trade, kind of like Thinkorswim. He can't even do live streams because he's got a 15-minute delay. Moron. Anyways, all right, that's enough. Right, get in and out and get the hell out, which you can only do if you have anything else to do. I'll take care of that kid and dog. Laugh out loud. They're costing me money. Yeah, right, Natalie. Just slow and steady in these markets. I still think we have more pain coming. Oh, man. But he is the official stock clown, so send him an email if you know his email. Donkey bucks, exactly. Don't worry, people. Let's hold. Options are almost at zero. We have time. He's in a BA trade, guys. He bought it like $1,100. His BA went to like 80 cents today. No money management skills, nothing. No skills, Pedro. That's what I call the guy. Google broke its trend line. Maybe it will help to bring the markets down. Maybe. Let's look. All right, that's enough with the clowns. Yeah, I mean, there's your major trend line on Google, guys. Yeah, Nvidia did bounce. That was a killer bounce. Um, Markets are coming in. Watch this though, guys. We are in a confirming downtrend today. Bottom line, I wish we had more shares trading on the SPY. Then I would say short this thing. I just can't. With the flipping holiday, guys, 73 million on the SPY, just not enough. Damn it. These are tough markets. That's why we're picking on certain stocks, guys, and we're just doing that. Picking on the high flyers. The markets come in more. The high flyers are coming in. Bottom line. Easy trades. And some of them take time. Don't get me wrong. Everyone's laughing at you, Pedro. Believe me. Let's see. Yeah, I got to jab them a couple times. Let's see. All right, Google broke trend line. Maybe it will help them. Yeah, Google will help to a certain point, but look what it's holding, guys, right here. The 1,000 and the 1,000 even number. You notice how it doesn't go to that number and then bounces? Market makers stop it. Everyone's waiting for the 1,000 and it bounces. Everyone's waiting for specific levels, especially technicians, guys. I'm not going long until Google breaks 1,000 and goes lower. But the only thing, Google breaks 1,000, it's going much lower, guys. Here comes Amazon. How's that trade doing, buddy? Let's see. Facebook. Yeah, don't touch Facebook yet. Facebook. You know how many margin calls are going on in this stock right now? That's the problem too. You got margin call galore. I mean, here's the next level on the monthly chart. What is it, guys? 50 MA. Where is it at? 50 MA. I'm telling you. Our Facebook's going to 113.97. Let's look at the weekly 200 MA. Look at that, right to the 200 MA. Maybe around 113. Maybe. It all depends on the markets, guys. I like this. I like 100. I'm gonna wait. But I want to put my traders and my members in long positions. I just can't do it right now. I think the selling's going to come on, and when it does, and wait till the next wave of selling comes, guys. SPY and everything's still pretty good. We're at 265. I think the SPY's still going to 250. The SPY goes to 250, guys. Everything's going to tank. Period. Sorry. Yeah. So Natalie, not yet. I know everyone wants to go long. I mean, I was talking to a trader this morning. And just like when a stock goes up and we add slow and steady. I mean, if you got to go long Facebook down here, if you have a $10,000 to do it with, start open a position with $2,000. Okay, it goes to 125, do another $2,000. Goes to 120, do another $2,000. It goes down to this 113, 110, pump in $4,000 and hold your breath. That's it. But if the market's correct, like people are thinking, like I'm thinking, we could go down another 10, 15, 20% in the SPY. If that does, that will take these things down to 190. So I gotta wait. I gotta wait to get some good support on the SPY. Let's go back. SPY, I mean, this thing could go to 233, guys. And we hit 233, fill this gap. Everything's at low, we will be going long. Everyone will be going short, and we will be going long. And then everyone will be getting margin calls. They're going to have 233, guys. Weekly, 200 MA. Okay. A little better today. I still feel like crap, but yeah, Nvidia bounced, Natalie. You got it. You still holding KO? Oh yeah, I'm in shares of that one, Colin. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I'm holding that one. Funny stuff. Donkey bucks. Yeah, right. Hee haw. Wow, Nvidia did bounce. Yeah. How does Shop bounce so high all time when Shop? Well, Shopify, Natalie. Come on, it's Shop. It's got to bounce. No, that had a good bounce too. Positive. But people are buying. These are the ones. It's Shopify. You got to buy. Everybody said. Fast money, guys, said to buy. It's holding this support too. 122 is great support on this one. But again, this one's going to lead to more selling. I mean, Shopify doesn't have a 200 MA on the weekly. What does it have on the monthly? Does it have? Yeah, look at that. Almost kit. Look at that. 20 MA high flyer. I mean, this is still kind of a new issue. It's only been on, on the markets for a year and a half or whatever. It's $100, maybe down here at $90. When the markets continue to dump, it's all going lower, guys. So just be very, very careful. Alex, add to the short around 345. Nah, we added to the short yesterday at 360 something. We just covered half our short, Alex. I mean, I see what you do. I see what you're doing here. You're trying to catch the bounce here. But no, we added more right here, short right here. We were short like 353, then we added more at 365 or whatever it was. We covered half today at 335, somewhere in this area. I mean, it's not bad because you have that trend line. Let's see if we get a little higher prices. I'd rather fill the gap here at 353, 350 area. Because remember, if these markets go green, Tesla is a cult stock. This will go right back to the highs. That's why today I was like, you know what? I'm taking half off. I don't care. This thing goes back up into this area. We have a nice little topping tail here. If it goes back up into anywhere up into this, I would like 360. I'll be shorting again. All right. So not right. I mean, I see what you're looking at. You got the trend line there. You got the inside bar. Let's see if we go a little bit higher. I mean, did it tag 350 today? 340. Look at that, 339.80 almost. Yeah. Let's see if we can fill this gap up here, and we'll add some more. Don't wait patiently. Did you catch that short though? Did you add yesterday? What triggered Etsy short, and then did you do? And then did you do? Hold on here. So shop, yeah. Yeah, no, you got to bounce. You got everything got to bounce with even shop. Markets go down though, guys. Everything's going lower. You did fill the gap on here though, on the daily. So that's resistance. Markets are a little bit, markets are trying to catch a bid, so that's why we bounce. But people, shorts are covering. If you short this thing at 150 and now it goes to 122, you got a short squeeze here. A lot of shorts covered like we did on a lot of our positions. So that's going to make the stock go up, guys. All right, hold on. I'll get to the Etsy. Hold on, bud. I think you need a big flush down 1,000 points on the Dow, then it's safe to go long. Yeah, Colin, I think more. I honestly think we're going to Dow 20,000. I was talking to another trader today about that because they're like, Bookie, what do you think, bud? You think how low do you think we can go? I think we could go to Dow 20,000, guys. And I'm going to do some live streaming for my members, and we're going to do some private stuff, and I'll explain why I think that. Excuse me, Michael. NIO. I don't NIO. What is this one? Yeah, I don't know. Like what is it, 19 million today? Yeah, this is a new issue. I can't really do anything with this one. Not enough technicals on here. Long-term play, maybe. I don't know the company at all. You got resistance right here though at 830. Looks like it tried to recapture it, came right back in. Nice little retrace down. If you can't stay above on the weekly, on Friday's close, if you can't stay above 768, then this one's most likely going to go back down. I would rather maybe get interested at the lows again. Just not enough on the chart though. It's a new issue. You only got a couple months on here. Hard to do it. A chart analysis when there's only 3 months. Tesla, add to short. Yeah, now let it go higher if it does go higher. I was only commenting on the balance I had this morning, waiting on your post to go long. Yeah, now I know, Natalie. Yeah, that was crazy though. Everything, after the fact, when everything calmed down and I had a chance to look at stuff, it was like, oh my gosh, why didn't I go long on some of these stocks? After the fact, it's always easy to see, but it was like, damn it. And I'm thinking for my members too, like, damn. My members are probably like, Bucky, why didn't you go long? What are you thinking? I'm telling you guys, I was so busy covering shorts. I posted that on Stock Twits or on Twitter. It was like, guys, don't wait for me. Just go. See, I was waiting for this. A little bit lower on the SPY to go long. I know I'm splitting hairs. I was waiting for it to pierce at 263 and never made it. And then we got it. I just couldn't do it. We might get a doji today, though, so that could lead to excuse me, lead to higher prices. We'll see. I'm telling you, we're still in a confirming downtrend. We're 455 down on the Dow. We're in lunchtime right now, so that's kind of a wild card. So we got to watch for that. Let's see here. Yeah, I know, Nat. All right. What triggered Etsy short? Let's see. I don't know. I've been short so many names. Right there, double top. That was it. Double top right there. This one was a beast, though. We had to add a little bit a couple times, but I knew it'd come right, freaking boom, right down. We covered the last half right now and today, and that was it. But yeah, that was double top. It even pierced it a little bit, so we knew. It was like, hey, be careful. Be careful. It's Etsy. But then the monthly chart, too, that tells the story as well. $27 is the price target for Etsy. I mean, you can hold. I covered. I said, I'll wait for another retrace here if we get one. See, this is what I'll do, guys. Christmas rally, we get the retrace everything to new all-time highs. We'll short again. I'm not going to try to get cute in these markets. Just try to go long, short, short, long, short, long. I'm just going to wait for the retrace, go short again. Maybe we'll go to double top, pierce it again, do it again. Rinse and repeat. Right about signing up. You okay with taking a newbie into your Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, I don't new, old, I don't care. I want experienced, I want new traders, I want everybody. So let's see. I don't know what your email is, but yeah. And then I have a member, Jay. If you're in here, bud, when I'm covering my shorts, it does not mean I'm going long in a stock. It means I'm just taking the position off. When we covered Tesla today, I had a member today saying, hey, when you covered your short in Tesla, doesn't mean you're going long in a trade, and said, no, that when I go long in a trade, I'll be long shares or buying calls, long shares in a trade. Yeah, it does not mean when I'm covering a stock, it means I'm getting the hell out of a short. When you cover a short, when you're in a short trade and you cover, that means you're getting out of the trade or selling it, but you're covering it. It's a little bit confusing if you don't know what shorting is. But yes, when you're shorting a stock, you're covering the trade to get out of the trade and to close the trade. All right, so Jay, if you're in here, that's what that means. Did I get your email? I don't think I got your email, bud. Oh, wait, right here, maybe. Oh, yeah. I got it. Yeah, I got, you know what? It was so crazy this morning. Oh, you sent it to me at 2:17 in the morning? Oh, maybe you're in a different country. Yeah, I didn't have time to read the email you sent, but yeah, that's right. You're in the EU. How do I pay? Yeah, I think you just pay credit card through PayPal. But yeah, novice trade. Then I'm your guy, man. You want to learn from me because I will keep you safe. I was that guy just buying dip, doing this, 11 years ago. And yeah, you're up. Yep, you got it. Yeah, so I have people all over the world. Actually, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, get in here, man. Learn the tech. If anything, if you don't learn anything or make any money with me because you're sitting on the sidelines or you have a small account, at least learn the technicals. Like Etsy. I had a guy ask me today, why'd you take Etsy short? Double top right here. So we go up, we shorted here, we took the trade on this one, retraced right back up, we did it again. Boom. Twice on Etsy. That's what we're trying to do here. And then we just rinse and repeat, guys. That's it. Zebra, we rinsed and repeat. Goose was another one. We covered the rest of it today. When it goes up, we short, comes back up, we do it again, and just boom, rinse and repeat. I think we had right here. So we shorted here, covered, it goes back up, we add it again, we get not a full position, but no more than a 10% position of your total portfolio. We covered again, boom, out, done, twice. Killed it on that one. Oh, and I is the Tesla of China. Oh, no shit. Okay. Yeah, let it come down. Laugh a lot. I was a Tesla bear, but the last Q blew everyone away. Tesla is legit, man. Bull market secured on Tesla. Yeah, that's fine, Edgar. You know what? I'm a trader. I'm not a long-term investor. I am a trader, guys. I don't give a shit if anything goes up for 20 years. I trade these stocks. Tesla, this is the best trading stock ever. Ever, guys. 100-point swings up or down. How can you be a long-term investor of Tesla? If you would have caught and we caught a lot of these moves, and a couple on the upside, not all of them, mostly on the downside. But if you would have caught these moves, 100-point swings, your average cost would be zero on Tesla. This is the best trading vehicle ever. And I tell all these bulls, every time we go up, I tell them, take profits, take profits. Then it goes down, then it goes back up, and they're like, StockBookie, you're an idiot. See, I told you, I held it. If you would have sold it here, you could have bought it there. You could have sold it here, bought it here, sold, bought, sold, bought. I understand the long-term investment, but when a stock's swinging 100-point moves, I'm telling you, we are going to be down here again. Take profits. Everyone laughs. There goes Bookie again, telling everyone to take profits. He's a moron. Told him here, told him there, told him here. You could have gained 100 points on this move. Buy it here. Long-term investor, great. You could have this thing at an average of $20. Then you don't have to worry about 100-point swings. That's how I play it, guys. I'm going to play this one. I'm already half out. I don't take the 100-point move. I could give a shit. If this thing goes to 320 or right into this good support, I'll be out of this trade. Done. I'll look for it to go back down to the lows, and I'll go long again. Whatever. I don't care. But I'm mostly short Tesla. We did go long, I think, here. We went long a couple times. But 100-point moves up and down, guys. How can you be a long-term investor when you could just be making money on the stock? So that's me, at least. Sent an email. Yeah, I got that one. I'll read it. I'll read it tonight. I'll send you something later. StockTwits is very bullish for it. It's not. Yeah, well, of course, StockTwits is. I mean, StockTwits is okay. You just got to follow the right guys on StockTwits. You got a lot of trolls on there, and a lot of people who pump stocks. I love this site, StockTwits. I love helping people out. I like making fun of people on StockTwits too, but like AAOI, you guys know the story with that. XLF, guys, if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol and let's take a look at it. Yeah, XLF. I mean, is this the financial ETF? I believe. XLF. Yeah. Financials are weak, guys. We're back below the MAs here. I haven't done a. We were talking about the XLF back here, and we're slowly coming in. I mean, it's slow. It's the financials, guys. But if you look at Goldman's getting the crap beat out of it. Hold on, guys. Something's up in my charts here. Pay $190 a month for my charts. They better keep working. XLF. Yes. Yeah, you're up. Yep. Cool. Do you think Macy's is a good buy? All right, well, let's look at XLF. Let's look at the monthly first. See, monthly, it was high flying right here, guys. First target was the 20 MA. Second target is going to be 22. Third target is going to be a $20 stock. Let's see what the weekly is. That's if the markets fall apart. Yeah, 22, easily $22. You have a gap fill here. And it is holding, though. Again, though, you get the down move. You get the retrace. Everybody hops on board. Now you're getting the down move again. Markets have to move up for these things to continue higher, bottom line. I still think we have the wild card as the holidays and stuff. We could catch a bid. Maybe slow down tomorrow and Friday with the holiday, with the Thanksgiving holiday. Next week will be pivotal for these markets going into December, guys. Still got to wait. Still want to see what's going on. Looking at XLF, it's okay. I mean, it would be nice if it could hold this 26.34, this pivot here. Looks like it's not going to today, but let's see. If we can get above this pivot here, it might hold. You're below the MAs here. You're still above the 200, so it's in an okay stance. Daily chart, though. I mean, yeah, same thing like the SPY. You get the retrace, sell. Get the retrace, more selling. You're still, down sideways. You're back below all the MAs on the daily chart. Let's see where this one closes today. And then I want to see on Friday. Friday's close is going to be real important for these markets, guys. So I'm kind of waiting for Friday to make my analysis on the weekend close. Or the weekend close is Friday. ACB to the moon. I got like 17 calls for next June. All right, we'll take a look at that one. Yeah, just right now, it's okay. I mean, we got the bounce off the lows. But, bottom line, we start filling gaps and going down here and breaking the 25 area, then we'll probably go lower on this. Just be careful if you're long in these markets. That's all I'm saying. ACB. Let's take a look. We'll look at Macy's too. Yeah, as long as it holds this 537 area, not bad. But, next area of resistance will be about 685. You got a gap here too as well. If this starts chopping around in here, though, be careful with this one. I don't know what it is. How many shares traded? 12 million on the day. It's okay. Filled the gap right here, though. That's where it's stalling out. If it can't fill this gap and comes right back in, I don't know if this is a news-driven stock. I have no idea what it is. Let's see. One more thing here. I held this trend line too, so that's good. If it breaks the trend line, then get the hell out. if you're in, Eric, if you're making money on these, just take some off the table, buddy. Take 10 off the table, hold 7. Weed stock. Which one's the weed stock? ACB? Okay, is that what this one is? Okay. Yeah, it's like Tilray. I'm in Tilray calls still. Getting kicked around a little bit, but that's okay. We got a little bit of time. Tilray's up, a little bit today. That's why I say Tilray gets a little bit of news. That one will fly. More of a spec play. Yeah, just be careful. You got 17 calls in that. That's a little too much for me. But if this thing gets a pop, just take the money and run. You are holding this trend line. You're almost at double bottom here. It didn't make a low or a low, higher low, higher low. So the trend is okay. But if you crack this and you crack this area here, and you got to get the hell out. Even the low of the day I would watch for, the 563 area. But ACB too. I'm going to keep that one on the radar as well. ACD, and this is pot stock. All right. Excuse me, guys. Macy's a good buy. What is that? M? Got to throw the symbol up for me, guys. I'm pretty sure it's M. M holding the double bottom. Not below the MAs on the daily. Let's see the weekly stance. Yeah, below the MAs on this. Let's see the monthly. Again, same thing. Nice retrace. Goes up in this area. Pulls back below the MAs. I got to see the weekly close on this one. But daily, if you start getting below this low, and then if it cannot hold this low, which was the 3141, you're gonna have to step aside on this one. We got a gap down here. You still got a low pivot down here. You got a lot of support down in here though, which I do like. But man, I'm telling you, if the markets are coming back, IWM's almost at the low again, so be careful. You got some pretty good support down here, but if it starts cracking, you're just gonna steer step down. I would wait. Man, gosh, even the 200 MA on the weekly, damn. Geez. Let's see here. Hold on. I want to see what the retrace is. I'm going from this low, guys, to that high. Yeah, I would wait on this one. Geez. I mean, looking at the weekly, you come up, can't get back above the 200, slaps back, right back to the low pivot here. If that gives out, you're going lower. Just be careful. Not yet. I have calls on M36 to break even. And with the market selling, I think it's going down. Be careful. Be careful, bud, on that. Be careful again with anything long, guys. Market sell, this thing is going to tank. They're all going down. I mean, if it does hold this area here to 31.41, but to go back to 36, I mean, maybe. With the what calls do you have on that one? How far did you go out? The weed stock. Hey, just need 420, right? AZ just broke 800. That's the one. That one's a killer. Is it coming in? Hold on, let's go to AZO. Oh no, but it's AZO. It's got to go higher. Look at that sell, guys. Woo! We're having fun now, aren't we? January. Okay, January. Hold your breath with that one. Again, markets keep selling. It will go down. So if the SPY keeps dumping and start breaking levels, you just got to exit this. But the savior could be the holiday, December. Everyone's, they're already talking about the Santa rally. But I don't know if we're getting it. We might just get a stall out, maybe a little retrace. I think 2019 is going to be a killer, guys. Just beware. Yeah, AZO, that one's been a son of a bitch, huh? But I traded that one so many times, it always does the same shit. Ah. Hey, Pedro, how's your Disney options going? Keep holding, moron. Going to zero. Hey, at least here. At least you held the trend line here. Good call on that one, too. And how's your Twitter going, too? Another loser. Hey, nice. Hey, you're getting a bounce. Keep holding. Options going to zero. Spy under VWAP, maybe now until it will be resistance. Maybe. VWAP's okay. I know some people that follow it. But here we go. Starting to sell again, guys. I still think we're going to 250. That's me, though. And with a confirming downtrend now today, guys, for 500 died, we're going to go to the lows. You know how many bulls they got sucked in today on Amazon and everything? Again, guys, again. Hey, those Amazon options are doing pretty good too. Now it's 745. Yeah, keep holding. We're getting a bounce. Big picture leader. Moron. All right, so let's see. ACB. Yeah, M. Yeah, be careful with that one, Harith. Harith. I'm terrible at name, guys. I'll call you H. All right. Yeah, be careful with that. We can get the bounce during December, but my gosh, we got some selling pressure, guys. It's time. We have 10-year bull rally, guys. It's time. You got some hey, what's up, Brian? You got a lot. This could be a little hedge fund selling today going, I want out. You get some big institutional players start to sell, you'll know. I still think we're going to 250. I'm waiting for 233 guys on the SPY. Maybe a little bit lower. You know, there's some other areas too I'm going to discuss with my members, but this is the big this is big right here. We didn't touch that trend line either today. 260, 253, then right. New saying Mike Premo making statement. Who's that guy? Is he a hedge fund guy? Yeah, I bought more Apple. I don't know who that is. I might know. You think we bounce off 260? I don't know. See what's going on here, guys. We're bouncing and leading to more selling. I think the next leg down's coming up. Just be careful, guys. Just be careful. No worries, boss. I'm up 19K since last December. Yeah. Yeah, just be careful. You don't want to give everything back, bud. 19 grand, that's nice profits. Just don't give anything back, guys. I hate this. This is the shit where I was stuck all the time, where I was just getting my ass kicked. I had nobody helping me. Again, I was paying someone $300 a month to teach me this shit, and they changed my life. I'm charging $30 a month. Love your videos, man. Yeah, no problem. I try, man. It's trading, guys. Shit. If I was right all the time, I wouldn't be doing this. I'd be worth $10 million. I'd be on my yacht right now doing these videos. No, actually, guys, I love helping people, guys. I've been doing it for a long time. I was kind of quiet for a year, a little longer than a year. I was consulting some big players, and the big players are hard to consult. They don't want to listen. Oh, Secretary of State. Yeah, that's how much I follow the news. Might buy some G around 6 for a spec play. God, is it going down still? What I'm telling you guys, wait for it. Is it still getting? Oh, look at that! It's almost there, guys. Patience pays off, but markets sell off. We're still gonna go lower. Damn! Look at the good thing we're waiting. Well, you got that one bounce where a couple people caught it. $6. Yeah, he might try to save the day, Secretary of State. And watch for the Fed presidents, guys, to start coming out too. Uncle Jerome and all his freaking cronies. Watch for Buffett. Watch for Tepper. Watch for Siegel. Watch for all the perma bulls, guys. They're going to start throwing them out on CNBC. You might get the Buffett special over the holiday weekend, Thanksgiving. The Thanksgiving special will be Thanksgiving with Warren Buffett tonight at 7. Will he buy stocks again? Yes, he will, because he's worth $92 billion. Just found you with WE. Love your style. Thanks, Perry. down 500. Look out below, right? You know how many people they sucked in today on this bullshit rally? Buy the dip, hurry, buy the dip. Oh my gosh. That's why, guys, I just take it slow and steady. Hey, let me know. Go to Twitter, um, PSL group. Um, Follow me at StockBookie, and send me another email. Let me know what your handle is on Twitter. You got to be on Twitter. That's where all my crap is. Well, trades, not crap, but all right. So once you follow me on Twitter, then I'll get you in the room and you'll have all the notifications. And don't forget, guys, if you're a member, you got to go to, if you want texts, I don't send texts out. I was talking to another member today, but here, let me show you guys something here. Yeah, so follow me at StockBookie and I'll get you in the room. You got to get in the room, buddy. So if you go settings and privacy, here, I'll pull it in here. So if you're a member here at StockBookie, damn, hold on, guys. You want to get, I guess you could get email notifications. You could get mobile notifications. Punch in your number there. So when I'm tweeting, you get a mobile. I guess you could get email too. Yeah. Oh, no. No, that's for me. But if you want the text, I guess I didn't set my thing up, but I guess you continue and then I think you do the mobile app or something. I don't even know, but some guys got it. So as soon as I post something, you get a text, which is pretty cool. So I try to keep everything on here. I can't have 42 places where I'm sending emails and posting stuff and alerts and this and that. And then I think that's the easiest thing. All right. You're in, buddy. Nice. Welcome to the team. Holy crap, are we killing it, man? Yeah, you're in, bud. PSLL group, you're in. Yeah, there you go. Now do the mobile thing if you have the mobile. I'm sure we will get, yeah, Trump tweet, you got it. Do you think Trump will, yeah, you know, he's been beating up Uncle Jerome with the raising rates because Trump knows what's up. And even before he became president, he said we're in the largest bubble ever. And now he became president and he's like, well, you know, yeah, we're in a market rally now. You know, and Trump, you know, I don't mind Trump. He's a good guy. I think he's doing some good stuff. But he's like every other politician now. He's a piece of crap, you know. And he's going to do whatever it takes to keep the markets up and make himself look good and this and that. And StockBookie, you're a trooper. Thanks for hanging in there with it. Yeah, I know. I'm trying, man. My nose is okay. My throat's hurting. You know, I'm coughing now. It's great. I love being sick, but hey, I'm going to march through this stuff. I cannot not be here for you guys on markets like this. It really means a lot to me that, you know, people come and watch my stuff and, you know, trust me. And I'm actually out there helping some people because I know how it is to get crushed over and over and over. And it's no fun losing money in these markets every time you take a trade. But the best part is when you're taking trades and you're just killing it. There's nothing like it, and especially, you know, covering all these shorts today. And then hopefully some people are taking these trades. Um, it makes me feel good. It's just like, damn. All right, guys, let's get a handle on the markets here. I got to take a deep breath. Yeah, today was epic, huh? Yeah, right. Yeah, no, you know, it just, God, I was there, guys. Every trade I took, I'd be upside down. It's just like, holy crap, what the hell's going on here? And it, you know, over and over and over, it's just like crap. But hopefully I can change that for some of these guys. And like I said, if anything, guys, you just learn technicals. That's all. Just learn how to trade. That's it. Yeah, but you know, here's your key trend line. Hopefully, you know, we're coming back in. We recaptured the 750 today, but man, coming right back in. But every uptick's being led with more selling pressure. It's pretty incredible. Yeah, no problem, John. All right, let's see IWM. Let's see the IWM now. Guys, if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol. Maybe I could talk about it. Hold on, I gotta go pull my nose again. Hold on, guys. All right. Oh, man. All right. So, on an intraday basis, we made the low. We're still holding that. Let's see here. Anyone else have a blurred screen? Do you have your settings at because right now, let's see here. I'm running HD. I tweeted about information how to set up the charts with the moving averages and better understand of what I'm looking at. Still trying to figure it out. What program are you on now? I use eSignal. That's my program for my charts. The yellow line is the 20 simple moving average. The orange line is the 50 simple moving average, and the 200 moving average is the red one. And my program that I'm using is eSignal. I pay $190 a month for this program. So, when you're an active trader like me, you got to have the tools. It's kind of like being a surgeon. You don't cut someone open with a butter knife. You use a nice sharp scalpel. If you want to become a trader, if you don't have the money, I get that. Then I would probably use Thinkorswim. They have a pretty good, strong platform, and it doesn't cost anything. And they, guys, we're coming right back down. Shit, every bounce. Look at this. We bounce, come in, bounce. Little topping tail on the day though too. Look at that, right back down. If we go to the lows, guys, we're going to break down today. We're still in a confirming downtrend. I wouldn't doubt we're 800 down on the day, guys, if this thing starts to break down. Mine is in HD. Yeah, so I'm not sure, Todd, what's going on there. Maybe get out and come back into the room. Maybe that will help. Get out of YouTube, come back, to the thing. Tweeted about your information, how to set up the charts. Yeah, that's that, Todd. Yeah. So that's what I'm in. Thinkorswim's pretty good too. Because I was even thinking about going to Thinkorswim and saving the 190. I mean, maybe. It's $190. I'd rather take my kids out every month with the 190. I'm a cheap ass, but sometimes. Let's see. Huh. Hey, Lynn, are you in the room right now? Trading View? Okay. Is that one too? Tasty Works is a nice platform as well. Okay. Yeah, I don't even know what's out there. I traded on Realtic for a while. That was another platform. I think I was paying $100 a month. That was through Cobra Trading. I think Lightspeed offers it. Interactive Broker, I think, offers it too. So Realtic's good. If you're an active trader, I think it's only $100. Hold on. Are you in here, Lynn? LIN? You just sent me an email. So if you're a member, all right, I'll take a look at that. I think you might just have to change it. I'll seems to think I have an AC I set up for free now. Want to go $30 a month. I tried my email, username, password, and tried line. So I need help. Maybe you can erase email, user, and password. Let me look. John, the request on Twitter sign up is still pending. Look at no, you should be in there now. No, you're in there now. Yeah, just refresh it. Yep. Yeah, you should be in. Refresh your thing and then go in again. Oh man. Well, Lynn, if you're in the room, LIN, yeah, let me see if I could do that. Let me see. Hey guys, if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol. We'll go over some more stocks. Right now, I'm just helping a couple members here. I'm not really doing anything today. We covered a bunch of shorts. I'm going to keep an eye on a couple other ones. JPM's coming in. Goldman Sachs is looking like a turd too again. I'm watching the IWM, guys. IWM starts hitting lows of the day. We're going to be on. All right, just know that we're still in the confirming downtrend. Short would have been maybe here. It's like, whoa, my gosh, they're actually going to catch a bid in these markets. Let me see your email is all right. Let me punch up your email, Lynn. Let's see what's going on here. LIN. All right, yeah, you do have that. I see your membership. Yeah, you should be able to go right in and change it, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're a member. Try. Yeah, I don't even know how to. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do it, to be quite honest with you. I wonder if you know what, I might be able to. Let's see if I could delete your. Or I think I can. I don't even know. Let me see if I could delete you, and then you could come back in. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, well, a member was asking me, how do I change from just a non-paid membership to a tells me already has email, etc. I could call you and give you credit card. No, I just do PayPal. I think yeah, so you could get in, Lynn, with that. So you could get into the feed, right, as a non-paid member. All right, hold on, John. Requested to it. Yeah, did you get in? Okay, yep, you got it. All right. Sorry on harp on Apple. Just need thoughts. Would you sell with a $2,000 loss and wait to buy back in, or just try to average down, sell covered calls if it goes to 130? I know, Natalie. I'm sorry with that one. Jeez. Yeah. I mean, this thing could go lower. I don't worry. You can ask me questions every time. That's what I'm here for. We got a little bit of a doji, so let's see where this thing closes today. The problem is we're just dumping. Gosh, we filled this gap today. I covered the last half of my short today at gap fill. Yeah, I mean we could go to 160 on this one. Man, this is a tough one because we're already down here. Man, we filled the gap, and we get a doji, we could bounce up. How high we go, I don't know. Markets continue to sell. We'll probably go to 160, unfortunately for you. $2,000. I mean, it's not a terrible loss, but this is the part though where everyone's panicking, and we could bounce. So we got the Thanksgiving holiday, we got Friday. Man, is the sell on though? I think 160. I mean, honestly, at the end of the day, 140 is coming. I hate this when someone's in a trade like this, and I try to give information here, and it's like, gosh, because it is getting beat down. It is Apple. I mean, we came off of 230. We're at 180. Could it bounce here? Yeah. Do we go through these big major areas of support? Yes. So it's to a point where, yeah, we could, markets continue to dump. We could sell, but tomorrow and Thanksgiving and Friday is kind of the wild card. That's why we were short these markets, and we're in the driver's seat with being short. Trying to go long is just a tough trade right now. A doji is this candle here. A doji sometimes tells you that you can have a possible reversal. This little candle here. See how the price action's in the middle and the tails? That's a doji. Sometimes you get a reversal on this. Not to say that there will be, but you're in a good support down here with the gap fill and stuff. But there's still another gap fill down at 169 and then double bottom. So that could lead to higher prices. But if the market, if the SPY and everything keeps dumping, this will go lower. Gosh, I mean, 2000 isn't the worst loss ever. I'm glad you're not all in on that position, but I'd hate for you to tell you to dump it when we're at, where this thing could possibly bounce. I mean, we could go to 162. So, I mean, it's really in your court. We are in a weak position and we were below the MAs, but man, it could bounce that right here. I just, gosh, technicals is one thing. We get these long candles. I still think we're going lower, but again, we have this little pivot here. Got to get above it, but we come tomorrow and then Friday half day in the markets, it could bounce. So it's all up to you. I can't tell you on this trade what to do because you're already a little bit upside down on this one. But man, we just covered our short today. So that tell just by telling you that I'm saying, hey, we are hitting some good support here. That's why I covered my short, but doesn't mean it can't go lower. Because I covered my short from 209 because I got a nice trade out of this one. I get my 10% or 5%, I'm done. But man, it's a tough one. That's a tough one. And can you average down? Maybe, yeah. If it goes to 130, I know, right? It could go to 140. So, and if you're in up, around the 200 range, you go 140. I mean, your average would be about 175. And gosh, I still think more pain's coming in these markets. But anything's possible. We could get the huge Christmas rally through December, and we rally all the way back up to 220. So, it's not that painful of a trade, but just let's see where it closes today. We're getting a little bit of a bounce today right now, so. IWM's holding, SPY's holding. We're into the 750 retrace. Let's see what we can get here. Yeah, I'm sorry, Natalie. This is a tough trade. You know how many people were buying the dip on this one? Nvidia, just getting hit hard. It's pretty brutal. These markets are brutal right now. That's why we were picking on the high flyers, and they're all starting to come in a little bit. All right, so Apple's catching a little bit of a bounce. Just hold tight. What's HRL looking like? It will do. You went over it on Friday. HRL. Well, we went double top. Remember, I think we're waiting for a little bit higher prices on this one. It looks like we're not going to get it. Hold on here. Yeah, I think this one we were waiting for a little bit higher. Monthly, let's see what the monthly, yeah, damn, look at that double top, perfect. Still came back. I think we were going to try to wait to see. I think our earnings were possibly coming up, something, and nothing for me to do here. I mean, that would have been the double top. I think I was telling you, if you want to take a stab at it, make sure you have more left just in case it goes to 50. I think the earnings was coming, or maybe earnings was today. IYT, yeah, IYT's getting slaughtered today. Still confirming downtrend, guys. Just be careful. Yeah, double top. This was a spot to short. If you wanted to go, I think I told people, go slow and steady. It could go to 50, 51. I think earnings, yeah, it was today. Okay, that's why we didn't do it. Yeah, nothing to do. It went down. Look at that, though. Damn it. 45. Yeah, nothing. Let's see if we can retrace the highs again, and we'll take this one short. Still not a bad short. Price target would be $35. So if you want to take a small stab at it, great. If not, then just let it go. Let's see if we could get higher prices on it. We're in a lot of shorts right now. We covered a bunch today. I love the setup, though, guys. We talked about this one. But, we're saying on earnings, if it pops, short it. If it drops, you're already in it, kind of one of those plays. But if you're in this trade short, just protect it. You should be all right. You can start getting down to $40, cover it. It could go to 35, 34. Yeah, then we'll look at your stuff. I'm not sure what the hell's going on with that. Try going. I think you could switch it up. I'm just not. I don't know my own site, guys. I set it up real quick. Gosh, I think Okay, maybe. Hold on here. See, I'm a member, so I can't. I think if you can go, here's the site. This goes to Lynn. I think you could go your profile and then scroll down, and I think you could change this right here, and that might put you into the um, the paid membership level. I think that's what it would do. But I'm not sure though. I'm not really sure on that one. So I think that was it. So then once you get there, um, that would do it. But yeah, you have the paid membership down there. Because once you let's see here, because you go your profile, and then that's the area on there. I guess I don't know, guys. Yeah, so try that. Go on that one. Let me know if that works for you. All right, let's see here. HRL, how can I join the trading room? Go here. Let's try this. Oh, that's why. Hold on. Let me log out. Right here. So if you're a new member, you just go register on StockBookie. You select a $30 a month, put all your stuff in, and you go to PayPal, and it's done. And then I'll get you into the Twitter feed. Right there, PayPal checkout. Agree to the terms, and that's it. And then once you log in, you could log in, and then you get everything going. But yeah, I think on that one here, member login. Once you log in, I got all this stuff, but then you go view site. Then I think you go your profile, and I think that's how you can change that. And then you go member, and I think you can from free go to monthly, and then you update it. Then I think I don't, maybe it gives you a place to pay. I'm not sure, but if not, then maybe you could go to register. Yeah, there you go. Go back to register, and you maybe have to select this one. So it's either your profile or register, Lynn, and then go back and do it that way. So yeah, maybe that's how you do it. Then you go your level, and then you click that one, and then it will lead you to because I'm already a paid member. I'm for my StockBookie site. It's me. I'm the administrator. But yeah, or you could change it there. Try that one. I'm not really sure, guys. Yeah, so try that one. Yeah, this is all free right now, guys. But I'm just trying to get more members on board so I could do some private stuff. I'd like to get. We're catching a little bit of a bid right now. I'd like to get about 100 people in this room every day, and we just freaking kill these markets. ESOI. Let's see. ESIO. I mean. Ooh, monthly. Let's see. Nothing to do. It's not bad though. We went past this 27.59 area, trying to get to this $30. Yeah, I'd wait for these pivots. About 31 bucks. Not bad though. Love the retrace back up. I don't know what this one is. We might have looked at it, but yeah, not bad. I'm not doing it, but light volume name. They might have had. It looks like did they have a buyout or something? This looks like almost a buyout, gap up, and then nothing. So watch out for this one. Does anybody know if this thing had a buyout or maybe earnings play? Yeah, if this had earnings already, don't. Let us settle in. Monthly. I mean, price target is around 17 bucks on the monthly, but if this had earnings or news or something, just let it go. Urban. I think we looked at that one too. Didn't they have earnings? URBN. Yeah, Urban, nothing. I mean, it would have been double top. I think we were looking at this one, and did they have earnings? Yeah, they did have earnings. We didn't do anything with it. We were waiting for a little bit higher prices, and it did actually. It did get to 52, right back down. That's a monthly. Wait, let's look at the daily. Even the daily. I mean, look at that. Short-term retrace led to more selling. Did they have earnings today? Maybe. As long as it holds this double bottom here at 35.79, you're okay. If it starts to retrace back up to the 40, 41 area, that's the area you got to watch out to see what it does. If you're holding this one long from 34 area, just tighten that stop. That's a pretty good trade right now. If you get to 40, then definitely take it off. It's got to hold the 35.79 level. If it doesn't, then it might, you might get another short-term retrace and more selling. That's what these markets are doing, guys. You're getting short-term retraces, and then they're dumping. They're getting more bulls on board, and they're dumping in their face. Yes, Urban, what what would you think long? Not right now. I mean, down here would have been the trade possibly. Weekly. $31 is my price target, guys. Still going to go down. If you happen to catch this one long, just be careful, guys. I think it's going to retrace and come right back in. Yeah, 50% retrace you hit today, I think, or yesterday. Got a nice bounce. As long as it stays about 35.89, you're okay. It starts to come back in, you got to get the hell out. 31 will come real quick, and you have this pivot around 31.21, then the 618, and then you have the 750 around 25. Should have never went 16 to 52. This thing, it's going to come back down. Market sell. This will be a $30 stock again, $25 stock again. Just be careful. Look at that double top. It's that. Pierces 50, comes right back in. Be careful with Urban. What's a doji? I explained that. IYT getting hammered. ER was today. Okay. Yeah, nothing to do with Urban. They're getting a little bit of a bounce. I think that bounce will be led to more selling. If you happen to catch this one, like I said, 34 to 37, that's a pretty good trade. Just tighten the stop and know that 35.78 area is the area you got to hold. If it doesn't hold, it's going lower. Let's see. Same with me. It's been a brutal year for me. Yeah, it's been a brutal year. You know what? Everybody had a great year all the way up until last couple of months. And then they're going to take everyone to the house, guys. They're going to take everyone to the poorhouse. All the bulls that have been buying the dip, they're a trader in a bull market, guys. All you do is buy the dip, and it just keeps going up. Holy crap, I'm a trader now. Look how good I am. And then your head gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you don't believe it's ever going to go down. And that's when you start using margin. When stocks start going down, you start using margin and bigger trades. And I'm going to show these guys I'm buying the dip. And that's when they take it down another time. Paid member, how can I get in your Twitter? You are a paid member? You didn't follow me on Twitter at StockBookie on Twitter, Carter, and you should be in my room. You didn't. I sent you an email. Check your spam. But yeah, just go follow me on Twitter. I'll make sure that you're a member. Send me an email at stockbookie@gmail.com, Carter. Let me know what your Twitter handle is, but you got to go follow me at StockBookie on Twitter. Then I could get you in the room. I'm slammed today with. We'll pick on this AC info. Okay, yeah, check that out. Go to register. Try your profile. Try your register. Yeah, go under register again and see what your pro. If you go under register, it says your membership level. You might be able to change it there, and that's where you might be able to change it and become a paid member. I'm learning every day, just like you guys today, guys. ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil. Yeah, I mean, this is another one. Look, here's the line we've been following. Look at that. Right to that line, right back down, guys. Another one. Retrace down, retrace down, retrace down, retrace down. Usually 4 hits of a trend line will lead to much lower prices. Nothing to do here going long. If you're short this one, that was a good short from up here. I'd start taking it off the table. If you cannot hold, 70, well, first $76, and if it comes right back in, let me take this disaster of a chart off, clean it up a little bit. So you had this line here. That's pretty much what you're I'm just going to go through the height of that one. You have, let's see where the retrace is. It is ExxonMobil. This one should be leading, guys. It's not. APM should be leading. Apple should be leading. So if you crack 76, you're going right back to 72. Market, that we keep selling on the SPY and everything. It'll go, if this thing's going to 66. But see how it's led retrace, selling. If it does not hold the 76, 77 or 76 area, we will be heading down to 72. Market sell, could go lower. Be careful with that one. Hey, remember, how can I get in your, send me an email. Let me know what your stuff is. Yeah. Thanks, Lynn. Appreciate it, bud. Yeah, I don't, like I said, I try those couple things today. Cool. Paid member, how can I? Yeah, Carter, do that. If you are a paid member, I think you are. You sure you're not in the room? Then you should have got an email. I sent it out to you. Check your spam. If you didn't, like I said, send me another email. Let me know with your Twitter feed. Follow me on Twitter. Let me go see if there's any I don't have any other followers on there, so you're not following yet. Yeah, but you got to get in my Twitter room. You have to. Okay, thanks. John, can I claim options on taxes? I believe in any options or what have you. I think it's a $3,000 loss. That's, at least in America, that's the only thing you can claim. So if you lost $1 million in the market, the only thing you can claim is $3,000, whether they're options or not. That's the most you could take out as a deduction. And I believe, because I was talking to another member, I believe, say you lost 10 grand in the market last year. You could, and the next year you made 10, the next year made 10. But that $10,000 loss, I'm pretty sure you could still take a $3,000 loss every year until you make that $10,000 complete. So you could do 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, then 1,000. I think. I'm not sure though. But I was talking to a member about that. But I'm not sure. Like I said, it's a double top yesterday, all time. Ooh, let's see. FOXA. Can I even get that one? Yeah, look at that double top, and look what happens, guys. Right back down. Ooh, so I looked at this one before. Ooh, yeah, we looked at this one before. Yeah, and then we talked about a retracing. I think this one too, where earnings. When's earnings on this one, guys? I think we talked about this one before. How's Baba doing? Yeah, not good. Baba. It's doing as good as the Amazon calls at the 1650 calls. Let's see. Yeah, when's earnings on the Fox A one? I think this one we're waiting to. If it pops, we're waiting for the 52, 53 on earnings. And if we get that pop, then we're gonna do it. Oh, so it was 1021. So yeah, I don't mind this chart, guys. If you want to go short this one, definitely. I mean, we missed a little bit of it the other day. It popped. That's when we popped right here. But yeah, I don't mind this one. Right there would have been the entry. See what they did, guys? They popped it up, got everybody on board, filled the gap, double top, and then bam. But, you still got to get below this trend line. So it's not bad. Just know that. Do not go 10% position. Go maybe 5% position. If it pops to 50, 51, then you got to take it. Again, we're going into wild card with the holiday season. It could go higher, so make sure you don't load the boat. Make sure you have some left over. If you want to go short with shares on this one, I have no problem with that. Let's look at the monthly, though. If you want to do puts, yeah, 36.40 would be my price target. If you want to do puts, go at least a couple months out, 3 or 4 months out. This one dribbles, you'll get paid. All right, so be careful with that one. John, no problem. Thanks. OILU? OILU, is that a stock or is that like an acronym? Holy cow, look at that. Look at it, another high flyer, guys. Jesus, coming in. Crap. $15. I won't touch this one. maybe 10. Nothing to do here, guys. Look at a tight price target hit and still crap. John, where were you 2 months ago? Oh my gosh, we would have been shorting this one at 74, 75. Wow. High flyer, guys, coming in. Great call, John, on that, but no, wait for lower prices, bud. $10. Maybe 15, I'd say 10. Baba. Baba still, yeah, Baba holding all right though. A little down today, but man, everything got a bounce today, and just chopping. I did nothing to do. In the lower range, chop. I think Baba's going lower. Got the retrace, another retrace. Nothing to do here. Below the MAs, weak stance. 120 is my price target right now. Yeah, Fox A, yeah. You could short that one if you wanted to. PDD. No, not a high flyer yet. Up here it was. Look at that high flyer. I mean, this doesn't have enough on the charts for me. But look at this, though. Comes in, retraces up to this high. Goes a little higher to get more people in. Then they slam it again. Everyone's selling. They're bringing it up again. Everyone's going to chase again. This thing gets back up to maybe $30. We'll go short again. It's got to go a little higher. Yeah, but good call on that, Caesar. Yeah, you got to open up the monthly charts on this, and it's still a new issue. It's only been around for 4 months, so really nothing to do. Just they're shaking and baking everybody, buddy. They bring it up again, they'll probably slam it again. But this is one we got to watch, though. Actually, you know what? I wouldn't touch it here. This one could really start to run, maybe, and then we'll pick on it if it gets higher. AMT looking for your permission to go short. Yeah, let's see. Looking for I appreciate that, Alex. Let's see here. Oh yeah, you can. Damn though, I wish we would have caught it up there. I mean, it already moved down. You see how? Damn it. Damn, look at that. Went down, retraced. It's not bad. I'd rather. Damn. It right here was the day. Shit. If you want to go short, I like, 142 is the price target, then 118. When's earnings on this one? Because I don't like that we pulled back. Let's hold off on this one. Let's see if we could bounce one more time and get it. We have a lot of shorts out there. We've been covering them. Damn, right here, look at that, 166. I mean, even that's not a big, $6-7. It's still nice. Because it could still go to 157 and then bounce. Let's hold off. Love the retrace. Look what it's holding though. It's holding that double top support. I mean, if that cracks, it's going to give it up. Yeah, let's hold off a little bit. Earnings in January, so you got a little bit of time. Let's hold off on this one. Let's see if we can get the Christmas rally, and this one could go higher prices. Let's see what we can do with earnings. If it pops, then we'll short it. If it drops, then so be it. If you got to take it, take a small position now. If you're going to do like 100 shares, take 25 shares short here, knowing that if it pops, you're going to have to add. It could definitely still drop, though. I still like the monthly on this extension. It's not as good as some of the other plays. I mean, it's still a 142 price target. I'd rather see it at 180, 200, really stretched. Yeah, let's stay away from this one. This one still isn't really to the moon like some of these charts were. Little maybe 180. Starts getting 180, 185. That's what I'd like to see. Because even here, it was stretched pretty good. And it still never really came down to. I mean, it was a nice pullback, 155 to 130. Hit it here, and that's the one thing that's kind of holding me off. It already hit the 20 MA and bounced off. I'd rather see a little higher prices and then short it. So, but if you have to, go slow and steady because it could pop up on earnings, if we get this rally through Christmas time. So be careful with this one. Was that John? Yeah. ALGN. Yeah, this was a high flyer too. We've shorted this one a bunch of times. Look at that high flyer, guys. Damn. Nothing to do here, guys. See that high flyer though? 148 maybe. I mean, as long as it's holding this 204 area, 200 area, not bad. This is just, look at this. This thing just cratered. How many people got stuck in this one? Look at this. Straight down. Yeah, let's wait for 140, 42, 150 area. Nothing to do on that one. God, look at that. Yeah, I see what you're looking at, though. It was a $400 stock. It's at 200. It's looking cheap. But if markets come in, it's coming right back down. All right, IWM's coming back in, guys. Stay out of these markets if you are long. And if you're stuck in a long position, just make sure it's not a big one. No more than 10% of your total portfolio in any position. Right now, I would be going even a little bit smaller, even on the shorts. Markets are a little bit cuckoo clock. Hey, cuckoo clock. Oh man, this is these are brutal markets right now, guys. We're still in a confirming downtrend on the day. Be careful. Yeah, still pissed though that we missed this freaking rally. Not rally, but a little push up. $100 on Amazon. Damn. Those calls would have killed it. Oh, but you know what, guys? You can't catch everything, unfortunately. What else here? Let's go. Bitcoin. Bitcoin too is part of this picture as well. You know, they're putting a drag on this thing as well. Make sure that's correct. Yes. All right, let's see. ALNG now. How do you buy calls? How do I buy calls? Just through my broker. Is that what you're asking? Or not sure what you're asking, John. I just buy them, or I short them. One or the other. You guys check out NVIDIA yet? You called that drop to the 140 level? Yeah. I've been calling NVIDIA to drop for a long time, guys. This thing just went up and up and up and up and up and up and up, and it was just a matter of time. They got a lot of shorts on this one. They kept squeezing and squeezing and squeezing, and you know, and the shorts on this one, they just load the house. They never leave room to add more. I mean, guys, this went from $20 to 300 in 2 years, 2.5 years or whatever. Don't go. I mean, I'm still calling for lower prices. I'm still calling $100, guys. $100, I might buy this one, and it's gonna take the SPY, the IWM, the Qs to take this one down. But I'm telling you, when no one's buying, everyone's selling. You got that. You're gonna get a short squeeze on this because a lot of people are gonna go short on this one. You'll get a little squeeze here, but guys, just be careful. Just be careful. How do I buy calls? I'm not sure what you're asking. Yeah, I just in the open market, you know, I'll just put a buy order in and buy them. You know, I'll try to find calls that are with a tighter spread. You know, there's some stocks with a, you know, looser spread on it. But if you're buying the SPY and stuff like that, how should we prepare for the? Right now, I gotta wait for lower prices, Natalie. I'm watching the SPY. We got to see what happens. We might not get the Santa Claus rally. We are holding this trend line in the SPY. We come down to 260. I would love 250 first week of December. Then we'll be looking. But right now, I just gotta be mellow. You tell us when to buy calls. Yeah. Oh yeah, totally. Yeah, I haven't bought calls. I bought Tesla calls. I shouldn't say that before. But yeah, no, on my alerts, what I'll tell you guys. Let's see here. Because like here's it. So when I shorted Tesla, this is what I'll put on my Twitter site. Covered half short shares, Tesla at 336. That was a trade because we were our average price short on Tesla was 358.23. So at 336, I got a $22 drop on Tesla. I'm covering short shares, so I'm still in half a position. But that's the post you'll get at 7:21 a.m. this morning. But as everything was bombing, I posted on here, because I only can cover things so fast and post so fast. I'm only one guy here. So as everything was bombing this morning, I said, guys, cover positions. Don't wait for the post. Is everyone having fun today? Because we're just killing it today. We covered, I don't know, 6-7 trades today, closing them. I mean, look at this one. We covered we covered the last half of WMT, Walmart. We covered the last half of Apple. Covered the last half of Etsy. We're just covering positions. Boom, 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 boom. I'm saying to my members, guys, don't wait for me, to let this go up in your face, because then we got that, little bit of a rally. As I'm covering trades, trying to get the hell out of my trades, you got to just do it yourself. There's a point, where you got to take some initiative. Say, holy shit, Tesla's cratering. $22. I'm taking half off. Don't wait for me, guys. Just keep it rolling. And then, when we bought like the IWM puts, we sold those today at 414. We got in at $1.88. But don't wait for me. Here's the puts we bought down in here. We bought these at $3 NVIDIA puts. They were at $25 on the 19th. Yesterday they had to be $35. $3 at 35. How about that one, donkey? But StockBookie has no skills. Oh man, it's funny crap. But yeah, so you got, so the options, that's what you got to do. Options are tough, guys. If you don't buy those exact price, you're getting killed. That's why a lot of these I'll put spec plays, 1 contract, 2 contracts. Don't load the house, because once you start losing, you're losing. Some guys, just buy them and hold them and hold them and hold them. There's a point. I've lost on options, guys. They went to zero, but I know if I'm taking a $500 trade, I know that I'm risking $500. That's why a lot of times, like when we got the down move on Monday, I took a lot of these puts. I took a loss on the SPY puts, which if I would have held, I would have flipped and made money on them. But you know what? They came up a little bit, still took the loss. It wasn't 100% loss, but still took it. But then on the IWM, we took some, or on the Qs, we took some gains. On the DIA, we took a good trade. And the IWM, that was the only one I held. It was like, you know what? If we go down one more day, I could make 100% on these. So really, that SPY trade, we lost on. We killed it on the NVIDIA. We killed it on the IWM. We killed it on the DIA. And we killed it on the Qs. So that SPY trade, it means nothing. I mean, it sucks to lose, let me tell you, but it wasn't a big loss because it was a spec play. So if you took those puts, it should only been 1 or 2 puts. That's it. So the most you could have lost on the SPY trade, we were in right around 165. So even if you took 2 puts, it would have been $300. I got out at 40 cents. So let's see where those are right now. Damn it. Well, actually, no, you can't, because they were in the 19th expired. But they were actually break even on the 19th. If I would have held, I could have had a break even. But you know what? It didn't matter. At that point, I took the loss, and that was it. Cut it. They're not all winners, guys. I wish they were. But I guarantee, though, those puts, if they, we should have, I took the 19th. I should have went a week out, and I just didn't. I don't know why I didn't. Maybe because I have 19 things going on at once. But yeah, Natalie, the prepare for the Santa Claus rally, I got to see lower prices. JPM, which options would I buy? Let me see. The short puts under strike for January. See, these are the put. So on every SPY bounce, we know the SPY was bounce. This is where you would have put the puts on. Right here, maybe, because we got the down move. I can't. Right now, I'm watching for high flyers. I'm looking for low flyers. I'm looking for double tops. This one's hard to say. You're in the middle of the range right here. Go from this high to this low. You're right at the 50% retrace heading down to the 618. Now you're just kind of chopping. If we get the Santa Claus rally, those puts are going to get hammered. But yeah, looking at puts, I'd probably go 103 strike price, 103. January, I like it going out a little bit further, because if we get killed, these things are going down. But with the Santa Claus rally and the holiday rally, I'm picking on the high flyers, guys. That's it. I'm not really doing too much else. Yeah, but that's what you do. You're looking at your target price with options. Just to say, just like when we shorted Nvidia, guys, we took the spec play. Nvidia was right here on earnings, and my guess, which it was a guess, not that it was a guess, but I'm looking at support levels, saying, okay, if this thing drops, and I'm going to buy a put, I'm looking at 170 at a good area for a bounce. Okay, if this falls on earnings. So I went a little bit higher. I did 175, which was a 50% retrace. So when we bought the Nvidia puts, we bought December. I don't even know what the hell did I buy. That trade's over. So let me look here. I think it was the December 21st. Yeah, December 21st, I believe. So it gave us a little bit of time just in case if it dropped more. So I knew, saying, okay, it's a good point. 175 is a good target because you have great support just in case if it bounces. So that's what I'm looking at. So going back to the JPM, thinking to myself, all right, we had a great downturn. We had a nice little retrace. Now it's turning down. So you're probably looking at you're looking at good support at 103, 104. So you'd probably buy at maybe a 104 put. But again, guys, nothing yet with these puts. Markets are baking up and down. Now we're starting to go up on the SPY. So, and we're holding the 200 MA on the 60. We're holding the 20 MA on the daily chart. So we have pretty good support here. We made the low, higher low. So it's making a little bit of a trend right now, but we're going to see what happens. SPY, everything bouncing right now. We're only 507 down now. So yeah, John, yeah, just be careful with those. That's pretty much, yeah. But I'll tell you to buy calls, buy puts. I don't know if you're a member or not, but yeah, I'll give out the thing. So John, now it's pretty much a time to stay flat until maybe next week with the SPY. Yeah, you got it. So let's see. Let the SPY tell us what to do. You just became a member. It's too bad because we shorted a bunch of stocks and got paid today. But yeah, right now let's sit on our hands. Let's let this thing settle down. I mean, we're getting slammed. I wouldn't doubt tomorrow we get a huge rally. Let it happen. Let the rally happen. You know how many people bought calls right here and buying a dip and they're just getting hammered again? This is when you just get hammered over and over. And who knows? We could gap down tomorrow and hit 250 on some more bad news. Who knows? Or 260, I should say. Not 250. Holy crap. So yeah, so just slow and steady, guys, right now. Let's find high flyers or the spec plays, like your GE. We've been trying to pick this one off. We haven't done anything yet. Here I thought we might get the bounce. I had one member, Brian, he bought, and then I tell him, get the hell out. 12% move, and look at that. Smart move. Got the hell out. Look at that. He'd be getting killed right now. Not getting killed, but, if you buy shares, you're not getting murdered. But, I'm still waiting for lower prices on GE. And there it goes, just creeping lower. You know how many people are trying to buy this thing, guys? And just trying, and we're sitting here going, let's just wait. Right here, 735, maybe. I still like a little bit lower. Damn, man, this freaking nose is killing me. 582. It's almost there. It's crazy, guys. Man. Yeah, $6. Still going lower. You know how many people bought right here? Then just getting slammed. They're just shaking everybody the hell out. Let's see here. Hold on. Yeah, no, John. Yeah, we're all learning. I'm still learning options, guys. Yeah. So, Peter, yeah, just hold on with this one, buddy. What kind of trades do you mostly recommend for around $5,000 to $15,000 starting account? Shares only, puts, calls, looking for low dollar shorts, or all the above? Loving all your info so far. Yeah. That's tough. You can't really short. I don't even know if you're not in this country, you could probably short, but I'm not sure how that works. But if you have 5 to 15 grand, you can't really short with shares. You could buy the SDS. You could buy some of the inverse ETFs and play those, like TZA for the IWM. You can do that, but you can do good. That's what I would probably recommend. Just going short positions with the ETFs, the SDS, what it was is the TWM. I think that's the short Russell ETF. I'm not sure though, but look for the inverse ETFs, the QID maybe for the Qs, but look for those. Yeah, and use ETFs, go small share size, um, and do that. The puts and calls, maybe spec plays if we're playing earnings and stuff. Those are something you can do, but yeah, that's about all you could do with that. You know, I started with a $30,000 account. I was trading a lot with the TZA and the TNA, and that's how I made a lot of my money. Just trading the Russell. That was it. You could trade the SPY using the SDS, and then just trade the SPY. The SPY is a tough one because it's a bigger name. You can't buy that much when you're trading it. But that's what I was doing mostly the TZA and the TNA triple ETF. It's a little bit rougher when you're getting your ass kicked, but it's a tool that you can make money with. TZA too. TZA is probably coming alive. Yeah, starting to. See, this is a bad either. Look at the TZA, guys. It gets above the moving averages on the weekly. This thing could easily go to 26. But that's where, look at that, $8. Jeez, they just killing this one. But the trend is, trend was downtrend. We're above it. As long as it holds this area, this thing can really pop. Excuse me. So watch out for those. Not to say to buy this right now. I mean, it had a hell of a move. Went from $7, $8 to 12. But I mean, this is the one. The IWM starts falling apart. This is going to go to 26. So this is what I was trading for a long time. Just buy, get a small profit, get out, get a small profit, get out, get a small profit, get out. But guys, if you have a small account, TZA is not a bad trade right now. I hate that. I hate chasing. I don't like down here would have been a lot better. $8, $9. You're kind of chasing now, but let's see if we get back down to the 10 area during the holiday season, and then we'll do something. But if we miss these trades and we start tanking during December, then so be it. Then we'll look for bounce areas to go long, and that's how we're going to play these markets, guys. Hold on, let me go blow my nose again, guys. All right, sorry guys, man. Still under the weather a little bit. But yeah, that's how, Sean, that's how I would do it. Just go slow and steady right now. We'll be looking for, maybe just sit around, if you're a member, watch my videos, learn the technical analysis. And when we go long one day, we go long. We buy the dip, and that's what we'll do. But right now, it's just tough markets. You see what's going on. We could have a big, huge rally tomorrow going into Thanksgiving. Who knows? Maybe Friday will be the rally. Or who knows? Maybe we just dump out all the way to 2019. Who knows? Hope you guys went long in NVIDIA. Yeah, all the bulls are washed out. Yeah, right. How about that move? Andy, even Amazon, 100-point move. And we were covering all our shorts. We missed the bounce. And anyways, though, I was waiting for a little bit lower prices. I was being real picky with my longs. A little bit lower for me. I wanted to pierce at 263, or I wasn't taking the trade, and I didn't. So, and we have the trend line coming off here, which isn't the best trend line, but that's why I didn't go long. So, but yeah, how about it? I was talking about that earlier. Tesla moved, Google moved, Facebook even bounced. But look at even Apple, guys. That's just not good. We get the bounce in Apple, and look what's had. We get the bounce. It's just led with more selling. It's unbelievable what's going on here, guys. So we got to get a, the holidays are the only thing stopping me right now from doing a lot of stuff. I'm picking on the high flyers. Look at AutoZone, guys, down $30 today, though. Its time will come. I'm telling you. All right, let's see here. All the bulls are washed out. Yep. Every kid has a 50 or 80-point price target on NVIDIA. Yeah, right. All right, let's see. Humana, let's see, HUM. If you're new to the room, just punch up a symbol, guys. We'll take a look at it and see what's going on. Yeah, Humana is even coming down like a brick. Look at this thing. Gosh. Woo, they are slapping the shit out of this one. Look at that. Look, what do they do, guys? If you remember, what they do, suck all the bulls in. It's Humana. It's got to go higher. Maybe earnings on this one. The gap and crap, guys. Look at that. Shit. That thing's getting whooped. Well, first price target 298. I think 268 and then 221 eventually, guys. This is another one that should have never, ever been this high. Well, actually 275, 20 MA on this on the monthly, and then 216. Oh my gosh! You know how many suckers are in this thing right now? $50 move already. They're getting hammered. So that's going to exaggerate the moves. All the bulls will start selling. 275's first price target. I wouldn't do anything with this one right now, but yeah, wow. Let it go lower, guys. Let it go lower. I am tomorrow. It's good. Yep. Thanks, John. Definitely. Let's see. John, no worries. I'm sure I'll get plenty of opportunities to make money with you. Yeah, you know what? You will. We'll have losers. Don't get me wrong. We'll have winners too. Amazon, any hopes for 1600? Oh, man. Christmas rally, maybe. I still think we're going to 1350 first, then bouncing. But, God, the SPY and everything has to move. Sorry, guys. You know, if we hold 1477, it's a good sign. If we break this low of 1421, it's a real bad sign. But first line of defense or any hopes, 1477. It's got to hold. But even look on the day, guys. We get the bounce, and I mean it's coming in slow and steady, you know. But man, you know, everyone's jumping in here. They have no clue, Pedro, no clue. And now, you know, they're trying to buy options calls here and getting slammed again. Still have some juice in them, but my gosh, if the SPY and everything goes down, that's going to be the next Titanic trade for that guy. Look out below. So no, yeah, the market's got to go up. Bottom line, it's a market trade right now, guys. SPY and everything goes down. Wild card again is the holidays. But it's got to hold 1477. If that doesn't hold, we're going down. Market sell. Here comes 1350 on these. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm going to start a position at $6 on GE. Yeah, that's not bad. Just small though. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy on me. You know, B Rabbit. Yeah, look at that though. We talked about this. We got the one bounce. We had a couple people get it. Thank God I got them out of it and right back down, guys. Every short-term bounce is being led with more selling on everything, guys. One day that will stop, and hopefully we catch that bounce because we will be going long everything. I'll have 50 long trades, and we're going to be collecting checks on those trades. And when everyone's going short, guys, we're going to be going long. And then everyone would be like, oh, I'm going short. This is it. And then we'll be like, yeah, we just took our profits on 42 trades long. So that's the way it works, though, guys. When we're shorting, everyone's going long. When we're going long, everyone's going to be trying to short. So, yeah, but yeah, B-Rabbit, yeah, definitely on G. Let it go a little bit lower. Even at $7 isn't bad, but there's going to be a time where we're going to get a big reversal candle or something, which I thought it could have been here. Thank God we didn't do anything. But we're going to watch volume. We're going to watch the overall markets and go from there. Would you start investing in pot stocks? Hard to say, Jay Nuts. Gosh, they get the bounces with news. So I'd still let the markets come in lower and then take some stabs at some of them. I like Tilray. I think, you know, a lot of people got sucked in here and got killed. I'm in a call position. I'm getting murdered, not murdered, but it's going downhill. It was a spec play on earnings. It just didn't make it. It was 2 contracts I took. It wasn't a huge trade. So, but yeah, I think these things will have its day. But Tilray, I like in the $40 level for this thing. A lot of these things got bounces. I think CBC is one of them, or C. There's another one. Damn, what the hell is it called? CNC or something? Here, I got it on my ticker here. Let's see. Then I've been CGC. Then I've been watching that one. I still, I think lower prices before we get more going. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad play. Once if they start legalizing it in America, they already did Canada. They're all gonna explode. It's not a bad play. What MA are they? Looks like the 8 moving MAs to the yellow. Oh no, I got the 20 MA is the yellow one. The orange one is the 50 MA, and the 200 MA is the red one. Those are the setups for the MAs on all time frames. Nothing changes from time frame to time frame. 10-minute yellow, 20, orange, 50, 200 MA is the red one. And they're all on simple closes, simple moving MAs. That's how I have it set up. Got slammed on the bear flag call purchase on the weekly. Which one, on Amazon? Or which one? Kartik? I think that's how you pronounce it. I suck at names, guys, so my apologies to anybody. I'll just say K. How about that? Got slammed on the bear flag call purchase. I'm not sure which one you're talking about on that one. So what's long term put goal for AZO? All right, I'll look at that, bud. I don't know what that is, but I'll make you popular and bring you to the top YouTube. This is a demo version for a half hour. If you're interested in collaboration, I wrote you in an email. I don't think I got you in the email, bud. Send me another email, stockbookie@gmail.com. 77 people. Wow, 77 people watching. No shit. But see, the thing is with this, that's fine if people are watching right now. The only thing I want members watching me that are traders. 90 watching now? No shit. That's crazy shit, man. I don't know what you're doing, but 90 people. Amazon Weekly, yes. Is going to be view bot you. You getting banned? What? Is he going to view bot you? You can get banned for that? Oh, I don't know. 104 people watching? What the hell? I'm not sure, guys. 105. Careful, he's going to view bot you. Oh, really? All right. Yeah, I'll have to. I don't know what that is, guys. Don't respond to his email. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, whatever. I'll have to see. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay. Look at 124 people watching now. Wow, that's crazy. 128. Jeez. 132. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Hey, I'm getting a lot of people watching now. I don't know what it is, but that's you know what, whatever happens, that's fine. I do everything legit on YouTube, so if someone's doing something to me, I can go cry to them. Damn, 152. That's insane. All right, guys. Looks like 8. Let's see. Got slammed on a bear flag call purchase on the weekly. So what's your long term? I'm not sure. Amazon, yes. $167 people watching. What the hell? All right, guys. So the SPY's getting a little bit of a bid right now. Hey, if you're not a member here at StockBookie.com, join the fun, guys. $30 a month. We've been killing it. So, hey, if this thing, 178 people watching, if I'm getting that, hey, might as well, if I'm getting spammed right now, might as well throw some plugs out there with all these people watching. Right? That's the only thing I can do here, right? All right, so if you're not a member at StockBookie.com, 180 people watching now, the most members I've ever had. Supposedly I'm getting spammed right now. I'm not really sure. But hey, I'm going to take this wave and ride it. If you're not a member at StockBookie.com, come join the fun. $30 a month. We've killed it. Covered a bunch of trades today. We have a private Twitter feed, and just making a ton of money, guys. We covered 6 or 7 trades today. We're short the markets in this beat down right now. So check it out, guys. It's worthwhile. StockBookie.com. How about that? So I don't know what's going on with this stuff, guys. 199 people watching. What the hell? All right. Anyways, let's get back. Let's get back to the real action, guys. Let's see. Got slammed on the bear flag call purchase on a weekly. Did I call that one out with the bear flag? I'm not sure. Did you buy calls or did you buy puts? Okay. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you're talking about with the Amazon bear flag. Gosh, I got 206 people watching. What the hell is going on here? What MA are they? So what's the long-term put? 208. What the hell? I don't even know who's watching at this point, guys. What about shorting consumer state? On the weekly bear flag on Amazon? Let's see. It really wasn't a bear flag on Amazon. We were just coming in, a nice retrace, and then we came right back down. That's what we were watching for. But the 1477 area is the area that we're watching for on this one now. So if we crack the 1477, we will be testing 350 lows on this one. AZO, you got good support at the 798 area, guys. That's what you're going to be looking for. If we could crack that area, we're going to fast track right to 756 on this one. Monthly chart price targets on this one will be around 666, guys. 666. Don't like that number, but I'll like it if their short plays out. Monthly chart high flyer. 700 will be the first target, then the 666 area. If we can't stay above this 818, $800 area, then it's going to be going down. So, guys, if you're not a member at StockBookie.com, sign up. $30 a month. 239 people watching. What the hell? So, invented pot stocks? Nope. Yeah, pot stocks are okay. So, what's your long-term goal? AZO, I think we could come right back down to 666 and then 600, guys. I'll be out of that trade before then, but I think this thing's ready to come in. Market sell, this thing will come lower. Earnings, I'm not sure on this one. If the earnings pop, we'll add more. If this thing continues to drop, we'll cover our short and we'll be done with the trade. So yeah, so watch for that. What about shorting consumer staples right now? They seem a bit extended. It almost looks like McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's, yes. Short McDonald's, yes. Definitely short, especially if they're high flyers, guys. Definitely. That's what you want to do. So you start doing that one, you'll be taken care of. So let's see here. McDonald's, ACB. I think we looked at this one yesterday. ACB. Yeah, ACB. Nothing to do here, guys. It's these $5 stocks. I don't really trade these ones. The trade would have been right here on double top. See how we retrace to the top. Nice retrace right to double top, and then boom, slammed right down. If we hold this 540 area, 269 people. What the hell is going on here? Wow. I'm a little dumbfounded here, guys. Yeah, so I guess it's spam or whatever the hell it's going. So yeah, so $5.71. So if this thing holds this 545 here, you're okay. You have a gap filled down here at $5, and if this starts cracking, then you just got to get out. There's nothing to do for me though. This would have been a short right here at 1232, and then it would have came right back down. So that's the area to watch on this one. That's what you got to look for. So watch out for that. Let's see here. Amazon Weekly, yes. Yeah, I didn't see anything with the bull wedge with that one. He's going to view about you. That's fine. And I'll block him. I'll talk to YouTube and everything. Okay, yeah. Hold on here, guys. I got a lot of people in here right now. Hold on, guys. Yeah, the bots are taking over. Holy crap, guys. Is that what it is, guys? Yeah, I don't know. He's a Russian. Be careful. Yeah, whatever. I don't. Whatever. I'm not doing anything, guys. So whatever. I don't know if I could block him or whatever. That's fine. Because then next thing it's just spammer. Let's see here. Um, I mean, we'll see. I don't even know, guys. Oh, let's see here. Talking about, I don't even know where I'm at anymore, to be honest with you. Let's see. Amazon purchase weekly. Amazon purchase call at 1560. Yeah, that's hard. That's hard. The calls are right now are tough, guys. Right now, so to be careful with that. I'm just trying to figure out where the hell I'm at, guys. To be honest with you, view bot don't respond to his email. Yeah. Be careful. Careful, John. Okay. Yeah, apparently it's something. So maybe we'll quit it and get out of this and go back. Yeah, you just sent me another email saying that, yeah, it's great. Look, you're at the top. It's like, yeah, that's great. But you know what? I'll build it grassroots, baby. Grassroots. I'll just keep doing it with that. I'm sorry, guys. I got a bunch of shit in here. No, you know what, guys? I have everything. I have my charts on one computer, all my other stuff on another computer. So, whatever. That is fake, yeah. 300. That's crazy, though, huh? I wish I had 300, guys. I'd be like, woo woo. Well, again, though, if it's real, hey, sign up at StockBookie.com, right? $30 a month, right? All right, let's see if we can get all this crap over. Ask that bot to send 200 people for some. Yeah, that's exactly right. Hey, bot, send them to my website for signing up. So it's tough to get members like that when it's all fake crap. I like to do real stuff, guys. Maybe I could go to StockTwits and say 307 people watching me now. You got to be a part of this, right? All right, let's see. EAP, I'm way behind on everything, guys. I'm just watching this and this bot thing. Oh, look at that. Nice. Ooh, that's a nice double top. But let's hold on, guys. Let's go back to the monthly on this one. Ooh, that's a nice one. EAP, guys. Let's go back a little further. Make sure there's no double top anywhere. Ooh, that's not bad. When is earnings on this EAP one, guys? Check on earnings on this one, guys. That's a nice one. Let me know. Gosh, I'm so far behind now. I don't even know. How far am I behind on this one? Oh, no, I'm not too bad anymore. Hold on here. Yeah, check on earnings on that EAP one. But yeah, I do like the double top on this one. Definitely, guys. This one could be a short here too, guys. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Check on earnings on this one. As has earnings after the bell today. 50-50 shot. Yeah, let's see. Look at EAP. Let's see on that one, guys. Hey, if I missed anything on here with you guys with this 286 people watching, I don't know what's going on here. I just bought the StockBookie $3 calls. On which one, Todd? Earnings January 24th, so we got a little bit on that one. Yeah, that's not bad. I like the double top on that one. Someone, if you're interested in taking a short, this could be an interesting one. Earnings on January 24th, Christmas rally coming up, but I do like double top. Million shares traded. I checked the news on this one to see if any news is coming up, but I do like double top. This could be a possible pullback on this one. And let's wait. Let's look at the monthly. Let's see. Yeah, hold off on this one, guys. Hold off. See if we go a little bit more. It's not really a high flyer on the monthly. Hold on here. This bot guy's having me boggle in my mind right now. Yeah, let's try to get to the $80 number, 82. Yeah, because this was like that other play too. The KO kept going up. Not really a high flyer. Yeah, this one's coming down a little bit more, but you know, if this one was extended a little bit more from the 20 MA, I'd take this one, but not. Let's see if we could get this one a little bit higher. 313. That's nuts. Bots buy and sell. Gosh, right? Yeah, I wish. Yeah, but take it easy on that one. Let's see here. I bought call at 1560. Yeah, that's a tough one on Amazon. It is Amazon though, okay. So let's see what's going on. I see I mistook retrace as a bear flag. Yeah. No, even on the retrace, yeah, and even the retrace, we're shorting on retraces. Funny, I'm going long your watch count. Funny, I am going long your watch count. Yeah, right. You're going long. Yeah, 309. We had about 55 people in here. This sucks because now I don't know what I really have in here. I think we had about 60 people in here, which was still good. We were doing pretty good. And purchased call there, hoping to go to break even. Yeah, right. Gosh, you purchased a call. Okay, that's a tough trade, buddy. I'm sorry, I never put a call on that one with Amazon, so be careful with the Amazon call. It's still good. We still have a saving grace tomorrow and going into Thursday, Friday's action with the half day. So breathe on that one. Amazon Netflix are still going up for the year. Still meat left on those for shorts. Be careful. We'll see. I mean, we're maybe calling the holiday rally. Maybe if the markets are going down, Andy, we doesn't mean we can still get plowed. So just be careful. Just be careful. Let's see. Yeah, market's been bearish for almost 2 months now. Yeah, you know what? I mean, we're looking for a rally. That's what we're looking for, guys. But we're looking at the SPY. If you go to the SPY, we're still looking at that 260, 250 area. We could get down to 250, man, I'd go long. But you got to really time these markets. If these markets continue lower, everything's going lower. And I don't even give a shit if Facebook was beaten down. Great. Yeah, it's beat down. Doesn't mean it can't go to 100 if the markets continue to sell. Is NVIDIA beat down? Hell yeah, NVIDIA's beat down. Does it mean it can't go lower? Hell no. Is Amazon beat down? Let's see if I can actually get something in here, guys. All right, let's try this one time. AMZN. No, it doesn't mean we can't get beat down. Boom, 1350, guys. And at the end of the day, weekly target is 941, 1,000 area. So just be careful. Are you looking for a rally? Buy NVIDIA? Not right now. They are beat down. I get that. But man, it doesn't mean if these things go lower, it doesn't mean they can't go down lower, guys. Oh, you're saying you bought StockBookie $3 calls. Okay, I got you. Yeah, right? No shit. 341 now. All right, guys, if you're not a member at StockBookie.com, you want to be a member at $30 a head. If I have 500 people watching, might as well start doing that, right? Damn, guys. But whatever. All right, JCP rebounded? Yeah, let's see. It's green, unbelievable. It's trying. It's a low flyer, guys. But that's why I take a stab at it. Let's see if we could get above the 20 and above the 50. I think we go back to 450, guys. 473. But we got to get back to moving averages on the weekly, bigger time frame. We got to recapture these first, and then this thing can possibly keep rolling. We'll have to see, though. If it happens, great. If not, whatever. On to the next trade, guys. So we got the little bit of a bounce in the markets, and what was it met with, guys? More selling. Look at this thing. But now we have a confirming downtrend. We're in a little bit of a bear flag underneath the moving averages. Look at that. So every uptick guide met with more selling. Now they're just shaking and baking everybody. Just if you're just hang on with these markets. Apple's almost at the low of the day. Nvidia's holding strong though, guys. Citron bought, so people got to buy that one. So that one will possibly hold tight. So let's see. If you're looking for a rally, buy Nvidia, of course. Buy Nvidia, buy Apple, of course, Amazon, all the big names. That why not? They're not people, fake viewers. Oh, is that what happens? Try to get money off you're doing this? Yeah, I'm not doing anything with that, Brian. Doing a great job, man. What are we doing with Alta? You think it will come down more? Think it's stubborn? Yeah, it's just another pig, Mike. Just like AutoZone. They're light volume names. They could be moved with anybody. Just hold tight. It's a monthly high flyer. Yep, target's 247 right now, and then 215. Look at it double top perfectly, and it will take a little time. It's a monthly chart play. This will dribble. Earnings comes up, we add more. Earnings it drops, we get paid. So just hold tight with that one. It's just like AutoZone. See how it's finally coming in. Then AZO, same crap, comes in, hits the top, comes right back down. So just be careful with these. AutoZone, it's finally $32 down. Finally. That one's been a bitch, though, let me tell you. But hey, you know what? That's why we go slow and steady on these. Hold tight. Hold tight for dear life. I want to see something here. All right, hold on here, guys. I got to check something out. Damn. I thought let's see, hold on. Ah, darn it. All right. Yeah, Alto we're holding. That's no problem. Let's see. Oops. Gosh. You think it'll come? Oh, yeah. Alta's going to come down. Believe me. 250 area. Another $50. And if the markets really start giving it up, I think this can be right down here to double bottom. $200 stock easily. Let's see what the weekly 387 now. Jesus. Weekly 200 MA at 222. So first price target about 270, then 245. All the moving averages basically. That's where we're going to be looking for price targets. We'll have a little bit of support around 288 or so on this. Even AutoZone 2 will have some support, but yeah, eventually, next thing you know, they're pulling the plug on this. 413. Oh my God, I might have to end this one, guys. Again, I'll talk to YouTube, but I don't want to get in trouble. All right, I don't know what's going on here. So, add desk earnings after the bell. 50-50 shot. Yep. Let's see. ADSK. Autodesk. Oh, look at that coming down, guys. We were short this name too. High flyer. I'm not doing much with it now. First price targets hits. Could it bounce here? Damn right it could. I'm not going to take a trade in this one. Andy, let us know what you do. 50-50 shot. But Autodesk, another high flyer. I got to keep an eye on some more of my stocks, guys. I'm doing this live session. A couple more of these stocks could be coming in on us where we could be covering our shorts. Again, if I don't post anything, guys, and something's coming in real good, doesn't mean you can't take the trade off the table. Our O'Reilly's coming in real good. Our AAP's coming in real good now. Gosh, that one's turning into a real good one. That was another one a member found. It's like, yeah, keep picking them off, guys. We're going to keep doing it. 433 people. Unbelievable. Calls on 300 people. Yeah. Todd, you're killing it with the StockBookie bet. Foot Locker earnings today. Let's see Foot Locker. Foot Locker, Forset. Yeah, nothing to do here. This is another one, guys. We shorted this one up here. Look, double top. perfectly. We shorted on this one, took half off, added again up here, and then look out below. And we were out way before it dropped, but never in a million years did I see it going to 31 bucks. It was nuts. When you use the monthly is it 3 years lagging? No, I use the monthly just for the high, just for high flyers, to short stocks. It helps me look at, if it's extended to the monthly, and like this comes down, double top, and just to look at stocks to go back further like this to say, hey, was it up here at one point before? Just like the Qs. Here was the high of 2000, the .com slam, and look where we're at now, guys. We're going to go right back to 118, guys. I'm telling you. Should have never have been up here, guys. Double top and it just took off. But no, I used the monthly to go back on the chart time frame and say, okay, all right, look at this. All right, little high flyer coming in. Let's go back. Oh wow, that was the highs. So I look back just for technical analysis. So that's what I'm looking for. Anyone gamble on think this thing moves? Maybe. Citron bought Tesla. Oh, Tesla too. Oh God, seriously? Yeah. Hey, John, what do you think about JD? Double bottom and back to IPO price, thinking about a long position, but it's freaking Chinese stock. Yeah. It's not bad. They had news today. So it got the beat down. Look at that though, guys. Double bottom right there. If that cracks, that's it, guys. It's going to 10 bucks. I think it's a great trade. I think it's a good play off a double bottom, but just go light. You can't Conradin. I suck at names, guys, so bear with me. Yeah, double bottom right there. But if that stays below it let's go to the daily. Gosh, look at this crap. Yeah, it's ugly. Here's your double bottom right here. That's what it's cracking. If it cannot hold double bottom, you got to get the hell out. This could easily be a $10 stock. So just be careful with it. I like what you're doing. It's a beat down name. It could get a bounce. If we get the Christmas rally, we might actually rally in this name. But you got to be careful with this. So yeah, there's your line of defense, guys, right there. If that doesn't bounce, we are at 15, then 10. 10 maybe. Conrad, all right, thanks, buddy. It's like tongue. And then with stuffed nose and everything, I can't even talk right now. Alta earnings December 6th. Yeah, so if Alta pops, add more. If it drops, we'll be in it. I'm too scared with this one. I got burned on NVIDIA. Yeah, it's a 50-50 shot at it. As long as you're keeping a position small, bud, it's not a big deal. I got there and burned 3 times. Yeah, I never made money on NVIDIA. How far back do you go look? It depends, John. When I'm looking at charts, I go to the monthly because I want to go to the monthly time frame to see what the hell the stock's done. And now, like JD, if you go to the daily, if you go and then you start going out, it's like, wow, okay, you're at the lows. All right, what's going on here? You could go back, but just a bigger time frame, the monthly, I could see it a little more clearly. And then the other thing too, guys, I look on this one too as well, guys. You're extended from the 20-day moving average. So this, just like it was extended up here and we came down here, now we found good support. This could definitely bounce and go back to the 20. So, I mean, it's a good area. The wild card is the markets right now. If the markets continue to sell, we're going lower. If we get that Christmas rally, this one will bounce. I mean, easily could go back to 30 bucks. So I like what people are doing here, buying this, but know that it could go lower. So just like when we're shorting stocks, you start with a $10,000 position on this one, or 10 grand. That's what you're willing to risk at this trade, 10 grand, guys. Ooh, my views are going down, so good. So my views. So this is what you got to do. So if you're at $10,000, guys, start with 2 grand on this one, 2,500. It goes to 1,750, 2,500 more. Goes to 15, 2,500 more. Goes a little bit lower, 2,500 more. Your average price is right around 16. It could bounce unless the markets dump. That's a pretty good risk trade for 10 grand. Just like shorting Alta at the top or AutoZone. If you're risking 10 grand, you're shorting, and you're getting stretched from the 20, just like from the down. Look at this downside. You're stretched from the 20. You go right back up in the price. So that's what you're looking at. Gold putting me to sleep. I know. It's just TLT is better than gold, in my opinion. Yeah, you can do the TLT. We've traded the TLT. Yeah, gold just not really going anywhere. But I think this was I was talking to another member, a guy in StockTwits too. I think this was the shake. This was the so we're in at 111, like 80. So I could care less. We're in the driver's seat on this trade. So they bring it up, shake it down, they get the pop, and we should have covered half here, or he should have sold half, and we could have bought more down in here. I think this was the shakedown, guys. They shook everybody out. Everyone who was trying to buy up here, they shook them out. They brought it back up. They're chasing it now. I wouldn't doubt we get another shakedown and then the move up. But we'll see. It's down a little bit today. I'm in a driver's seat on this one, so I could really care less. But we made a low, higher low, higher low. As long as we're making that trend, as long as we're not breaking these lows and going down, this one right on the money here. As long as we got that trend going and we, start holding these MAs, we're down below the MA. I want to see the weekly close on this, but as long as we're holding these MAs, it'll be all right. So, yeah, the TLT, we haven't looked at that one in a while. Yeah, TLT's catching a little bit of bid, double bottom. See, now I'm going to go to the monthly time frame because I want to see what the hell's going on here. Yeah, and this one too. We've made a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. I mean, they're popping this thing, dropping it, bear flag, dropped it, bearish pattern, dropped it. Now it's holding though. 750 retrace from this low to this high. That's what it's doing. So, that's what it's doing with this stuff. So you got to just got to keep an eye on the overall markets, guys. Look at that. Markets are still flipping weak. Damn, though. I'm looking, hold on here. Woo, I had like 500 people watching me today, guys. If anyone's getting any spam from anything, let me know. What is that? Set up Streamlabs for donations? What's that one? What's that, Sean? Yeah, I have someone else doing that. Or just go, is that to donations? Is that what it is? Streamlabs. Yeah, donate, guys. I'll set up something to Streamlabs. Go there, donate $10. Help me out here. Is it okay? So if I'm doing a real good job, people can donate instead of being a member. Okay. Hey, thanks, Sean. I'm going to write that down. I know some people that are doing that too. Hey, if I give you a good trade, you make money. Donate. Links to your live. Oh, really? Links to your live YouTube? Oh, okay. Streamlabs. All right, people. The 278 people watching, I'm going to make a YouTube or a Streamlabs account. Start donating. No, appreciate that, Sean. That's awesome, bud. So I can link it up and then go from there. All right. I didn't know that. Cool, man. I should link it right now, right? Maybe I'll do that. Donate. Donate now. Okay, so that makes sense. Streamlabs. So when you're doing things, donate to keep the stream going. Hey, you know what? That's a great idea. All right. Maybe I'll do that right now. Yeah, I'll look into that. Come on, SPY, right? Yeah, dumping some more, right? Yeah, SPY coming. Wouldn't it be a tip, not a donation? Oh, I don't know. I think I could set something up on PayPal too or something. Set up Streamlabs for donations. Okay. Links to you. Yeah. You have to do it. Yes. Okay, I'll check that out, man. Text to speech. Do you work for these guys or something, Sean? Is one good website? That's another one. See, I don't know. I have 290 people watching. I don't know who's coming in here now. All right, 600 down on the Dow, guys. 606. We're making new lows on the day. Be very, very careful in these markets. Holy crap. Yeah, I'll check that stuff out. There's another way too. I think I can do it on PayPal. Come on, businessman. Yeah, right. Yeah, I don't. John, do you stay for Thanksgiving? Alex, I'm looking at that. I'm a little bit under the weather right now. I was thinking about going to Rocky Point, or I was thinking about possibly going to Cali too. I might just stick around this weekend. I'm not really sure. I got my three kids were sick. My wife was sick. We're all trying to battle this cold. And then, yeah, Apple. Jesus. Look at this crap, guys. We're starting to flush. What did I say earlier, guys? Confirming downtrend in the markets. The volume was a little bit light, so I didn't tell you guys to go short, but look at that. Right back down. 98 million with an hour left. Not bad. If we were at 198 million, I would have told you guys hours ago short these markets. We're tanking, guys. Damn. Should have kept our puts. All our puts that we took last week are flying. I am out of all of them. If you are a member at StockBookie.com and you did not sell any of those puts, the SPY one expired, so that was done. But just frickin' do something with them. Take something off the table. Something, guys. New lows. I blame Buffett for a correction on endless pumping of Apple. Yeah. Bear is here, confirmed. But far, the bear's not confirmed yet, guys. Not yet. It's getting close, but not yet. If you are not a member at StockBookie.com, or go to PayPal, make a donation. I don't even know how you can do a donation on there. I'll have to look at that. The point is that people donate to get their message on the screen. Also reads out loud for your viewers. It's text to speech. Encourage donations. You can set minutes, price to play it. Okay. Oh boy, here comes the big one. As we soon dip into the bear market territory. Yeah, but wait, see, we're dipping into the holiday season. That's why I want to catch this dip, guys, and we could buy some stuff long and hopefully get something here. Yeah, I'm getting spammed now. Jeez. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Hey, 199 people watching now. All bots, but hey, we had a great day of views. I had over 500 people watching. That was excellent. Half of them were fake, or most of them were fake, but I think we had about 55, 60 at the highs. So hey, I'll take 60 people watching. We started about 20 about 2 weeks ago. We got 60 people in here now, guys. And then some Russian guy came in and did something. I don't know what the hell he did, but my things were going through the roof. That was crazy, though. I was just in awe, guy. I was like, well, you listen to me. I was just like, looking at my views going skyrocketing. The point is, people donate to get their message on the screen. Yeah, no, I appreciate that, Sean. I thought about that. I got the membership. I honestly, guys, I don't need the money here. It's nice to get the money and get people to pay me. But at the end of the day, I've been doing this shit for 11 years, guys. Yeah. His calls are going down. 0. Help! Hee-haw! Hee-haw! I'm the big picture donkey. What do you think about playing the E-minis? Having a small account to avoid the day trading rules? Yeah, you can do the E-minis. Definitely. Definitely. And can't you do the SPX too? I think with the day trading rules, I think you do the SPX, and then you could get the. I think they settle at the end of the day or whatever. They're tough though. They're tough. I like intraday action, guys. But yeah, just learn the technicals, Carter. That's what you're really wanting to do. What is the benefits of being a member? Making money. We killed it. We've been killing it. We've had over 400 trades on the year, 80% winners and rising. We just covered like 7-8 trades today. We had puts on the SPY, the IWM, the Qs, the DIA that we took last Friday and Thursday. And then learning technicals. You got to learn. You got to learn something, guys. If you're trading blindsided or fundamentals, what does fundamentals mean right now? Buy Apple and fundamentals. so much for the turnaround Tuesday. Yeah, right. But yeah, that's what you get. And then you get my videos every night, my technical analysis on the SPY and the overall indexes. You get my videos. Eventually you'll have live streams, private live streams. I'm just trying to build my members. My members I'm only have 88 people watching now, guys. 83. Damn. I had 500 today. I think my peak was, I don't know what my peak was, but Goose, yeah, we shorted that one too. We covered that one. So CCHE, whatever it is, CC hee hen. That's the benefits. Right now, if you're long the markets, you're getting killed. If you're following me and you're a member, you're shorting the markets and making money. That's the benefit. But Carter, yeah, the E-mini, yeah, you could do that one. Those are a little bit tougher. Says it's as bad as 1930. May, it could be, guys. Guys, let's go. I don't have the SBX, so it's 15-minute delayed. Guys, this is where we are in the markets. Hey, they took all my members away. 56 people watching now. .com boom, housing crash. This is where we're at now, guys. This is the Federal Reserve pumping the shit out of the markets. And everyone thinks it's just going to keep going. Now we got Trump. Now we got this. Yeah, fundamentals. Yeah, those are working real well for everybody right now. As we're shorting markets and making money on this, everyone's buying the dip, and it just keeps going lower. John, you send out twits to all members on a daily basis about new videos and updates, or do we check your site? No, I go on Stock Twits. I post everything on there. YouTube is shadowing you, Bookie. Oh, are they? Oh, you know what, Al? I don't know what the hell just happened. If they're shadowing me, that's fine. I'll have to do something different or whatever. I don't know what they're doing. yeah, maybe. But yeah, I don't know. Next thing you know, I got 400 people in here. I was like, what? Then all you guys came in and said it's spam. Don't touch them. Don't do this. I don't know. I'm just a guys trying to make money in these markets, trying to help people. If someone's trying to spam me or do something, that's fine. That's okay. Just say you hate Trump. No, I actually voted for Trump, guys. I am not now a Russian bot. Yeah, pay me. Yeah, exactly. Relax, just ignore it. Yeah, you'll be okay then. Yeah, I don't know. If YouTube wants to start shit with me, that's fine. I don't know what the hell happened. Next thing you know, I got 500 viewers. I mean, I'm glad I got 54, guys. I started with 15 a couple of weeks ago. I got 54. I'm like I said, I'm looking if I could get 100, 200 people in here watching me on a consistent basis, even better. But eventually it's all going to go private, and hopefully I get 500, 600 people in my StockBookie.com site. And we're all just freaking killing it, guys. Effing killing it, guys. That's what I wanted to say. Oopsie, they're going to get you now. Yeah, maybe. Whatever. They could clearly see what the hell was going on, so I'm not too worried about it. I've been doing this crap for a long time with YouTube and stuff. I have a good standing with them, whatever. Anyways, yeah, but that's the member benefit. You get the technical analysis. And if anything, guys, you pay me $30 a month. In a year, you learn technicals. That's what you get the benefits from. Then you don't have to pay me. You just leave and say, hey, thanks, John. We remain friends. I throw trades. You help me out. That's what I still friends with all these people that I used to trade with years ago. It's always nice to have some guy on there and to look at, bounce trade ideas off of. Do you send member stocks or options to buy? Yeah. Here's what I have. So like, as we were covering today, we were covering position. This is one of the trades we covered. But if you look here, I'll pull it in. So we covered the last half short shares of Apple at 176 as positions closed. But if you look at this, so this was the post on Twitter. Covered the last half of short shares, WMT. We covered Walmart. We covered Etsy. We covered Goose. We covered Apple. We covered a bunch of them today. Okay, so as I'm posting this stuff, but as we were covering them, I mean, I couldn't type fast enough, guys. And I showed this before, but I'm going to show it to this guy too. So guys, cover positions. Don't wait for the post, because at this point, I can't even type fast enough. I got to trade too, guys. I'm getting out of these trades too, getting out, posting. At some point in time, I got to get out of my trades. I can't post stuff. So I'm saying, guys, cover your positions. Don't wait for my post. And then, is everyone having fun today? Because we're flipping killing it in these markets right now. We've been killing it all year. That's the truth. 100% the facts. Okay, I'll be a member today. Yeah, not to get all crazy on you, but yeah, man. What's your take on X? We'll get to X. Yeah, but yeah, we send all that. I got the private. I'm going to have a private feed eventually. I just want to get more members. I have what do I have? 115 members right now signed up. So I'd like to get about 215, 300. I start getting 300, then I'll go to meetings and we'll do private sessions. And I'm hoping to get where maybe everyone, I've been in live sessions where everyone's talking, and sometimes that's a disaster because everyone's talking over everybody. But maybe I wouldn't mind you guys to talk once in a while and say, "Hey, John, look at this one. Hey, good one, Al. You know, good one, Carter. Good one, Andy. You know, good one, Brian. You know, John, cover positions means closing down a portion of it or closing it. Yes. So when you're short a stock and you're covering the position, that means you're getting out of it or selling it. But you're not selling it, you're covering it. So when you short a position, you're borrowing the stock at a higher price and you're covering it at a lower price, just getting out of it, and you get the difference. Yeah, so when I'm covering the position, I am getting out of the trade. When I'm in a long trade, then it's just, you know, bought and sold. When I'm covering a trade or when I'm shorting a trade and I'm shorting a stock, I'm covering the stock or selling the stock or getting the hell out of it. You got it. Yeah, because I had a member send me the thing today. Yeah, you cover your ass. Yes, exactly. Because you never know when the squeeze is coming in. You got it. You'll be okay. Oopsie, they're gonna get you now. Yeah, exactly. What do you get for joining your group at? No, $30 a month, Howard. No, I hear you, Howard. Yeah, that's what you get. You get the videos. You get well, you get more live. You know, the more people sign up, the more I'm going to do live streams. They're going to be free for now, but eventually I'm going to go private on these things. Just like stock twits. I was putting twits or stock or trades on there for a while. I stopped doing it because I have a membership. Most members started January, February at the beginning of the year. So most of my trades are on the year with all my members. So if you're a member at the beginning of the year, killing it, guys, killing it. But then you get the Twitter feed, you get the, analysis every day. Every day I post a, if you go on, let's see here. Well, now it is, but if you go on StockBookie.com, every day I post a daily video on what I'm thinking the SPY and stuff will do. And then every day you get those. Technical analysis. These are some trades we took on intraday basis. We killed it on these guys. We played the fade on these and just rocked it on these day trades. Day trades too, guys. Look at this. Netties and Goose. So Netties. These are for you guys who want to sign up. These were all posted on my Twitter feed. So this day, when Netties went up, we knew at 240.67. That was the area we added a little bit at 239 something and then 241 or something. Our average price was 240.67. This thing faded $10, guys. We caught that short. That was a day trade. Goose. This was another one. We do day trade, scalping. We do a lot of different things, guys. Goose. We took the trade right here at 70.42. Look at this fade. This was epic. We were already out, but look at that dump. We even took a swing trade. Came back up. We added more on Goose. Came back down. Came back up. Boom. We covered the rest of it today. But those are trades we do too. Gap plays, gap and craps. We do a little bit of everything, guys. Guys, I do everything. Right now, I'm kind of slowing down because just kind of letting these markets tell me what to do. So yeah, we do options. We do everything. We short calls. We short puts. Everything, guys. But yeah, Howard, yeah, it's $30 a month, guys. $30 a month. The Goose and then Nettie's trade would have paid for the year. The 8 trades we just covered today would have paid for the year. It's the cheapest education you guys are going to get. You got to learn something in these markets other than, Apple dipped. I'm going to buy the dip now. Yeah, a trader in a bull market's easy. Everyone's a trader in a bull market. But when the bear comes around, good night. That's when they take all the bull's money. It's pretty easy. NVIDIA not for next week. Yeah, you got to wait. Do you send members stocks and options to buy? Yes. What's your take on X? X, we talked about this one. Markets go lower. It's going lower. Everything is. That's the bottom line. We talked about this one up in here. I didn't want to do anything because we retraced back to this area, and as long as it held the 50 and the 20 MA, it was okay. But it came down, a little bit of a bearish pattern here. I don't know if we talked about it here or up here, but now we got the bearish pattern. Now we're back below the MAs. It's in a weak stance. We're gonna go test the lows again on this one. Markets are weak. This is going lower. Markets catch a bid though, guys. Everything will go higher. We got to time this thing perfect. If you don't do it, we're gonna get slammed again. But see how they're shaking everybody up and down. But X, nothing really to do here right now. Just be careful if you're long. Hey, we got 53 people in here now. That's what I like. So, yeah, just, we talked about this. We got the pop, and they try every retrace is being met with more selling in these markets, and it's happening to everything. So just be careful. Google went green though. Tesla's trying to fight its way up. Citron bought more Tesla. I mean, it should go up. Citron bought it. Really, they did. You can still do open live sessions. Try like free Fridays or something. Yeah, Brian, I'm going to do live sessions for a while for the $30. You guys are catching trades. You guys are making money. But what I think I'll probably do, maybe do some nightly sessions just for like an hour where we'll go over trades. We'll talk technical analysis and really go into some detail of why I take trades and what I'm really looking for. I mean, look at X. This is an inside bar that stayed in here. Once we close below this big red bar, guys, that the bear's on. And then it chops. Then look what happens. That's a pattern I love to play. But I'll teach you guys this shit. These are, and this here. Once we broke below that big green bar right here, we closed below that green bar. It's on, guys. You get some retraces and then bam. So that, and then that's what you'll get too, guys. We'll be doing more private sessions too with this crap. I'm just looking to get more members, guys. That's it. Not much. Cover your ass. You still can do live sessions. Yeah, definitely, Brian. You got it. S&P 2603, the line in the sand. Yeah, 2600 too as well, Al. Hold or fold. But you know what? We're going into the holiday session. I'm going to keep repeating that until you guys go to sleep, and you'll be like, Bookie, holiday session. Wait for it. Look out below. He's dreaming about me. Derek, when you call out trades, when and where do you post them? On Twitter, Derek. It's my private Twitter feed for my members only. I try to call them out as quickly as possible. When do you get a long signal, the SPY? John, not yet, buddy. My members will know that. If you're a member, you will know. Not yet, though. After our conversation the other day, sold the calls and picked up some puts. Great Carter. Andros, I think Autodesk is going to beat. I don't know. Let's look at that one again since everything's slowed down with my members, with my people watching. 400 or 500 people. That was insane, guys. We are in some support here, guys, on the weekly. We really are. We got beat down a little bit from 155 to 121. If they do beat, you will get a pop. The calls aren't a bad gamble for this one, but excuse me, guys. We are at support on the 20 MA, but this was a high flyer. You did go from $41 to $160, and it's still up there in Neverland. We are in some support on the monthly as well. If it were me, I'm not playing this one, guys. I would buy some puts. I don't know. It's just too far, too fast. They really got to have a killer earnings. But remember, if you do, buy one put or one call, couple $100 risk. If you can't risk $300, $200, then don't do the trade. That's what I would do. Just looking at the chart, looking at the extended play, they got to have real good earnings to beat, to pump this thing higher. But that's me. I don't follow this one that much. We did short this one a couple of times at the highs. It is holding support. That's how I would play. but hee-haw. Yeah, Brian, you've been around a long time. The guy still emails me. And you should see the crap he says about me. I get these emails all the time, guys, from some followers that follow him. He has some good trades once in a while. But, man, the first 6 months of the year got killed. And then he had a couple of good month or two of a streak. So then I get all these emails how good he is. And I think he's got 20 losers in the last month. Massive losses. Massive. And I bet he's watching right now. It will be a holiday for the MMs, that's for sure. Up or down, yeah, they're all making money. But the donkey, yeah, that's so sad. Yeah, and I don't care. There's a bunch of traders out there. They're good traders. It's just finding your style. If my style isn't your style, technical analysis, trying to find, going short or long, we're short right now. That's what we've been doing for a long time. When the markets are at all-time highs, I like to short. There'll be a time, like I said, everyone's going to be going short and we'll be going long. And then I'll be going, look out above, or whatever. I don't know. What's the saying when we're ripping higher? Because I know when we're following them, it's hashtag look out below. What's a good one where if it goes higher? I've been following you for a couple of years, John. Always been awesome. I'll be joining. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Ashton, too. He's been following. Brian, too. He's been here a long time as well. Look out above. Yeah. Right. No, it's got. Oh, yeah. There you go. Melting up. No, not melting up. Shot to the moon. To the moon and beyond or something, maybe. Hey, maybe. Yeah, everyone at Stock Toys will be like, that son of a bitch. Look out below, to the moon and beyond. Maybe. But man, you got to have fun in these markets. I mean, it's fun when you're winning, it's great, but when you're losing, it's no fun. So, but yeah, maybe that one. But yeah, that's how I'm looking at Autodesk, guys. Maybe I will put out an alert. It's just a gamble. Maybe I will, because melting up, spike, time to fly, hashtag time to fly. Ooh, that's a good one. Spike. Oh man. And it's pretty black and white technicals if you can read this stuff, and sometimes I don't get it right. Again, let's go back to Tilray. I don't care. I didn't lose on the trade, but my God, was I getting killed. Did I ever think, I'm shorting, like I said, 180, I think, I don't even know. Let me look. But I had that. I was alerting my members to short this thing, and then we were getting flipping hammered. I was like the donkey that day. I was like, oh my God, I'm getting killed. My members are getting killed. But, you got to remember, slow and steady, or you'll be dreaming about slow and steady. Where is that trade? Maybe I didn't put it on here. I don't put all my trades on my. No, I didn't have it on here. I thought I did. I want to say it was like 185, 170, somewhere in there. But it was brutal. It was a brutal short. Or was that before? Let's see. Hold on. But guys, too, if you're a member at StockBookie.com, let me show you something too. If you're not, become a member. Don't be a donkey. Oh, let me see here. Hold on. Jeez. That's fun. It's funny stuff, guys. Funny stuff. I don't want to show too much here, but let me find an area here. So we're getting a little bit of a bounce. They're shaking and baking everybody down. We're still in a confirming downtrend. 541 on the Dow. Nothing here to do, guys. If you're in the shorts, just look for shorts that we could cover. If you notice anything that keeps tanking, look at Target, guys, just tanking. Still going lower. Gosh, we should have waited to cover some positions. Let's see if I could find something here. All right, guys. So if you're a member here, this is what you get too. So I have a position sheet on my StockBookie.com site, which if you go to StockBookie.com, if you're a member, you go select category and you go open and close positions. So that's where all the open and close positions are. And this is what you get. You get a position sheet like this. And, it's from 828 to 1010. Look at this. We've been just flipping, killing it. Killing it, guys. We were short. Our average position was here, 85.51 on SQ. Short. Where's SQ now? In the flipping base, 62 bucks. We were out. We exited that trade at 74 bucks, and it's down another 12 bucks. I don't mess around when I get out. I get out, guys. That's it. Done. Out the door. But I am getting this weird stuff on this thing. Anonymous squirrel. Ever see this stuff? Anonymous python. Anonymous squirrel. Anonymous. I'm getting up in here, guys. You ever see this stuff? What is this? Is this someone coming in here spamming me? If you guys know anything about that, let me know. But this is where I'm putting everything. We lost on the puts. Let's see. Did we go to 0 on that one? Yep, 0 on that one. We lost on the DIA puts. That one I think we cut. That was 95 cents, so it wasn't that painful. But these are short calls, short shares, puts. I mean, we've been killing it, guys. I'm going to do another video on our winning streak. So we've had a massive winning streak, guys. And the donkey keeps telling everybody that I'm the worst trader ever. And I tell him, put a position sheet out there. Show us your exits. Show us our entries. Just show us something. Show us your broker confirmations, anything. He won't show anything because he's a paper trader. He's losing everybody's money at this point. But what are these things up here? I don't know what those are, and they just started popping up, so I'm not sure what they are. Anonymous Beaver now. I'm not sure what that is. But if anyone knows what that is, let me know. It means they're, oh, okay. I gotcha. Yeah, now I'm all paranoid. It's like, what the hell? So I have beavers and whatever else in there. Anonymous squirrel. John, could you explain why we are still in a downtrend? Because the MAs, we are definitely defining an uptrend. Hold on. Hillary says it's the Russians. Yeah, exactly. Oh, let's see here. You still got your ass. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, no, Tilray, we got out. We made money on that one. We held on this one. We were getting smeared. Came back in. I think I pulled about $40 on that trade. And then, of course, it kept going lower. We could have got $80, but I took my 40 and said, holy crap, I'm done. I'm out of this thing. Now I'm in some calls right now, getting killed, but we made good money on a couple of these trades out here. So let's see. To bear longer a shop. I remember live camera feeds. You did a few times, had some great laughs. Yeah, that was great. Shop, yeah. Or you could become a member at Buffett's Buy and the Dip Apple Club, full spreadsheet of apple pies only. Yeah, right. Those are people. Okay, there you go. Thanks, Mike. Yeah, I had no idea. I'm like, what the hell are these now? Because I'm never really, and I look at that stuff shortly, but okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. People are actually looking at that because that people are open. Okay, good. Those are people. Okay, it means all right. Laugh out loud. I thought you were. Yeah. No, no. When we start hitting 500 people watching, then I was becoming paranoid. All right. The uptrend right now. We're really not in any trend right now. If you look at the SPY. There's really no trend right now. The trend's starting to break a little bit. Well, actually, you got to go to the month. The monthly. You're going to find the monthly chart a little bit more. A trend is when you're intact, when you're staying above this 20 MA on the monthly chart. And right now, we're kissing the 20 MA. The trend's still intact on the SPY. It really hasn't broken yet on the monthly time frame, though. But going back to the daily time frame, there really is no trend. But when you're below the moving averages, Jesus. Okay, see how you're below the 3 moving averages on the daily chart, okay? That means you're in a weaker stance on the market. It's not really a trend break. It's just saying, hey, guys, you're a little bit more on the bearish side being below the moving averages. So this could be a tough trade for the longs. It doesn't mean we can find, can't find support and bounce, but it just means saying, if you're in a trade, you want to, if you're short, you want to be below the moving averages. If you're long, you want to be above the moving averages, okay? Weekly chart, let's look at the weekly. So the trend isn't that bad. You're still above the 200 on here, but you're back below the 20 and the 50 MA. So it's getting a little bit weaker. So the daily time frame is usually the first one that will say, hey, we're a little bit weak on here. We're below all the MA, so just be careful in this if you're trying to go long, okay? All right, Tesla's getting a pop now. Look at Citron must have bought more. Google got a pop. So everything's starting to pop, guys. So maybe we do get, maybe they were just shaking it down, up and down every day. We're in the last half hour. Maybe we get, remember, guys, we were beaten down the last 2 days. We could get a little bit of a short squeeze right now. A lot of the shorts are taking their positions off going into Wednesday and then the half day on Friday. So that's why I'm kind of just I'm not doing it. I'd love to go long. I just can't. Imagine if you would have went long yesterday, guys, or even on Friday. 1,000 points down on the Dow since you went long. Just can't do it right now, guys. But now, going back explaining the trend, and now we're breaking the trend a little bit here. We're below the 20 and the 50, still holding the 200. But, it doesn't mean, we can't go down. But right now we're kind of, trying to figure out which way this market wants to go. We still haven't taken out the 260 area. So there's still a chance for this one to bounce higher going through the holiday season. All right, Jesus. And then, and then you go back to the monthly, and the monthly trend's still intact. You're still above the MAs here. Not bad. But remember, we were stretched up here, and then right back down. So right now, still intact, still okay for up moves, but we're still in that time frame, guys. I mean, look at this crap. .com, housing crash, look where we're at. How do you go long in a market that's just straight up, guys? Gotta be careful. All right, guys? Yeah, Tesla. John, I see the same on your spreadsheet now. So you go to spreadsheets. Okay, cool. I appreciate that, guys. I don't know. I'm a trader. I don't know anything about. I'm lucky I built the website and got the spreadsheet link to it. To be honest with you, it's just brutal. Then my StockBookie site goes down. I don't know what the hell to do. I'm like, oh, I try to fix it. One day it went down. I was just like, oh my gosh, how the hell did I get this thing going back up? I don't let anyone pay. I don't pay anyone to do any of the crap. I might end up paying somebody to help me out here. I got another trader. I don't know if you're in here, Christoph, but maybe have him join me. But if he joins me, then it goes to $50 a month. No, we'll see, guys. But Jesus, does that help you a little bit, bud? Yeah. Right now, the trend is still your friend until the end. And when the trend isn't your friend, guys, it's over. 231, I still think we're going to hit. I don't know when, but it could come quick. We're 1,000 points down on the Dow. Who says we can't go another 2,000 by 2 weeks from now? I still think we're going down 20,000. So, help you sometime. Are you a programmer? Okay. Yeah. So I'm a trader, man. I try to do what I can, and that's it. So. Some got rich and some got poor in CL. Today's moves. Yeah. Look at that. We covered our short in CL. USO. And it's still flipping going lower. Look at that, 7%, son of a bitch. We're waiting for this one, guys. We're going to get a buy on this one too, guys. Around $10. Oh, man. This is great. Look at this. Yeah. We're getting there, guys. Not that it, I want to wait. I would love $7, $8 again. Gas will be cheap for everybody, but look at that. We're breaking the trend on this one. We were back above, and all of a sudden, next thing you know, boom. But we retraced right into this level. I knew we started adding around $15. Everyone was going long, and what were we doing? We were shorting it. Look at that epic trade, and it's still going lower, guys. I don't even know what I covered the last half at, but that's what we do here, guys, at StockBookie. We kick ass and take names, guys. That's what we do here, and we are really kicking ass lately. Well, you'll see my next video, guys. I think we have it's got to be up to 90 trades now. I'm looking to get 100 trades, and gosh, we'll have maybe 10 losers, maybe. Ramp up, clean up as usual as last half hour. Yeah. Well, you know what? It's not even that so much, Al. It's a short squeeze. All the smart money like us, we took off our last put position on the IWM today, but you got to think, you shorted this market on Friday. We were talking about NVIDIA. If NVIDIA craters, it's going to crater the market. Market stayed buoyant on Friday. And it was like, I'm looking at this market and going, shit, I'm putting some puts on the DIA, on the freaking SPY, on the I wish we would have done the IYT, but we didn't. On the Qs and the IWM. That's what we were doing. We did the SPY a little bit too early, and we should have went out on the options a little bit. My fault. But man, those puts cleaned up. Because, man, when that NVIDIA went down and we were actually positive, I was like, this is flipping bullshit. And that I called that bullshit Friday, and that's what we got. So, if you went short here, that's 275 to 263 you're covering. And look what the SPY did. You retested double bottom. They got to hold this double bottom, guys. People are starting to go, holy shit, what the hell is going on with these markets? When did you start the site? I started the site probably about a year ago. Maybe a little bit longer. No, none of my members. The longest member I think's been in here since February, I believe. So a lot of my trades that are in there from last year, those are my personal trades. I got my ass kicked on a lot of trades, but what are you going to do? Life goes on, guys. So, I'm a big believer, guys. Money management, strict positioning, slow and steady on these high flyers. And that's it. When you get money, you get the hell out. You don't wait around for this shit. Damn it, I just clicked that and kicked me out of that thing. Hold on here. Let's see here. There we go. But that's what we pretty much get, guys. So, and then so you that's what's happening now. You get double bottom. Smart shorts are just saying I'm done. we're going to Thursday. You know, we're going into Wednesday. You know, slow. Should be a light volume day tomorrow. Who knows? For all I know, we sell off and go right to the bottom. We're still intact with the confirming downtrend. And we could definitely sell off. What do we have? 109 million on the SPY. Yeah. So who knows? We'll see. We'll see more tomorrow. See what happens. When did you? Yeah, about a year ago. Agreed. The biggest S&P droppers yesterday were LEG and then Nvidia. Guess who are up the most? Yeah, you know, same shit, different day, guys. So, all right, though, I'm going to end this one a couple minutes early today. I'll probably come on tomorrow, the mic a little bit. I got to look at some positions, look over this ad desk. You know, if you want to do it, I would do a put. Again, it's a 50-50 shot. We'll see. If I do something, I'll post it right before the bell closes, maybe 5 minutes earlier, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. A lot of fun today. 500 viewers today, spiking crazy. Gosh, we'll see if I get an email or something from YouTube. That was insane, guys. I might do a put. Yeah, you know, we'll see. If I post something, I will. Like I said, though, I had a hell of a run. We'll see if it pulls back. It's got to have real good earnings. If not, I think it's going to drop. So, but on the flip side, you know, we made money on Nvidia, Amazon, Google, a couple other put plays. So it's kind of free money. So if you want to take the play, do a couple $100 in it, take it, and then go from there. Hey, no problem, guys. You know I love doing this stuff. And again, I just want to get more people on board and kill this. That's all we're trying to do, man. Trying to keep you guys safe. Let me tell you, hopefully I've been drilling it in your heads not to go long, and you can see why right now. You know, look at TXN, though. Let's look at this one more time. Why is this one green? Where's this one at? Little bitch, right? Nah, nothing to do here. But, yeah, they're trying to hold this one. Someone needs higher prices on this one or something. So, all right, guys. No problem, guys. Thanks again. We'll see you shortly. Watch for my live session tomorrow. Might do it. We'll just see how it goes, and then we'll take it from there. Again, guys, like always, thanks again for coming. Thanks again for stopping by, watching my videos, all that good stuff. God bless, and see you on the charts.